Yeah, man, is this thing on? We're live, baby. I am. Ooh, it's 3. It's time to go, baby. It's time to go. Coming. I'm coming. Can you hear me now? You can hear me now. Of course you can. Okay. I think I'm ready to go, folks. Bam. Bam. Hit a game. Get on the board. Nathan Watson's live, man. It is tournament day, folks. I am playing King Bobby Fish. He plays D4, guys. It's going to be weird. We went back to the purple board, but I enabled arcade mode. I figured it might be fun. D4, knight F6. We'll see if it screws me up. We'll see if I lose. Mary's here. Hey, Mary, how have you been? And Sean, big screen, Barnhart, as always. He's going to play a London. We're going to pretend that's a bad move and just play a King's Indian. Okay, we play D6. Yeah. Do we play Bishop G7 or Knight FD7 on Knight F3? I don't know. Bobby, says Nathan Watson. Bobby. King Bobby Fish. Yeah, this guy we're playing, man. Whoa, LC4. A move unheard of in such positions. We simply play Bishop G7. Get ready to castle, folks. I'm not scared of anybody. Well, I'm scared of some people, but not really scared of anybody. Isn't that nice, though, in life? I'm trying to think there's a human being that I'm scared of seeing right now. No. Is there anyone I would maybe rather not run into? Well, sure. Of course, un certo. That's my way of... I don't even know how to say that. I don't speak Spanish, guys. We're trying to learn. But you can't learn by making up words. I mean, I do. But then it's not really. It's just a different language I made up. See, I told you. He wants to play the E5 Manunu. E5. If I try and stop it, guys, we just simply castle. Is E5 a threat? Takes doesn't work. Knight FD7, E5 takes. Oh. Then we just move the knight. So I can castle. On push, takes, I can move the knight. He could play E6. Takes, bishop takes. Oh, no, he can't play E6. So just castles. Dude, the King's Indian works. Mary, enjoying the chess. Mary, cool. Mary, curious, what openings do you play, Mary? Mary T. Hunt is an avid chess player, folks. The U.S. Chess Championship is going on. We are going to look. It appears Hans had the black pieces against Wesley's... No, he had the white... Was it the white pieces? I forget the color. We're going to look. The point is, you're not going to beat Wesley, man. Wesley, as well as being among the top players in the world. Like there was a spot for the candidates that Fallujah got under rather maybe gray area means. There was one spot available by rating, and Wesley So had that spot by like a point or something. That's how good Wesley is. He was going to be in the candidates. And then Fallujah played a open tournament that he never normally would play because there's nothing to gain except gambling rating points. And he won all his games, or he didn't lose. Yeah, he had to win all his games. Yeah, you like this. He really wants to push. Now we play E5. Don't we play... Or... No, now we stop E5. Oh, no, because he could still play it. Is it C5 or E5? Eric Haddon, what's up, dude? How you doing, man? I saw that. You like the London. Very cool, Mary. Very cool. I've considered learning the London. I've considered learning the London. E5 is not. Oh wait, e5 could be good. Check out e5. Pawn takes, knight takes. I could play probably. Oh, I could play rook, but then he could play f4 defending. We could make all kinds of threats and stuff. But I think maybe it goes c5 in this position, guys. c5? Attacking El Centro. But then he can play e5. But we already talked about this. No, because then he gets e6. I want to play e6 here, but it can't be right. It can't be right, folks. Oh, man. Look at the line I'm concerned with. Knight. fd7. e5. Pawn takes, pawn takes. Knight g4, attacking the pawn. He plays e6. If pawn takes, bishop takes, queen takes, my king is weak on the light squares. He can literally do stuff like this and threaten stuff. It's not good. It is not good. Oh, wait. Knight fd7. I won't even have bishop e6 on e6. e6 is a bad move, though. He still gets e5. He just doesn't play c5, e5. Takes, check, I lose. Not good. Not made of wood. d5 is not on the board. Huh. Just, is c6 a move? I'm sure it is, but he's going to get e5. He's going to get e5 and then e6. How can I defend this square? Well, one thing I could do is this, and I'm going to. I think I'm going to do this. Bishop g4. A lot of times in King's Indians, they play h3 to prevent bishop g4. Okay? It pins, and it stops this move because I can take. And then I can take. Takes, he hits my knight. And if I move my knight somewhere, I'm attacking the pawn. I could come back if I had to. And I'm attacking the pawn. If he plays e6 now, I can play pawn takes, attacking the queen. Or bishop takes, pawn takes, attacking the queen. So what was that? Oh, yeah. And another thing about this move, it develops a piece. But what don't I like about it? In the King's Indian defense, you very often attack on the king side, and this white bishop, it's kind of known for when that bishop gets traded off, the attack fizzles out. This is the bishop that you force him to play this move, and this is the bishop you sacrifice, basically. After he's castled, after f5, but e5. Can I play e5 here? Pawn takes, knight takes. Doesn't work because the queen's on e2 and I can't attack this pawn with knight. I can't. It's going to be tricky. I bet e5. E5's like what a grandmaster would play. 1,000,000%. With activity. Down a pawn with activity or something. You know what I'm saying? Oh, wait. What about this move? Opening up the bishop. If he kicks me, what if this knight just comes back to a horrible square? This is not the end of the world, but on this, I have to come back. The thing is, after e5, I don't have to take... Oh, he's going to play e6, though. A tourniquet, Tourbillion, Tour-D Tournament of Toracos. Bill Stevens, how you doing? Best wishes. Say, hey, I hope you're doing fantastic. Sabine says, I'm not sure why someone keeps trying to convince me chess is easier than checkers. It's not. It's different than checkers. For some people, it might be. Maybe people that aren't that into chess. Ah. And I wasted way too much time. Because I'm literally trying to play better chess, guys. If you haven't noticed, yesterday, actually, dude, I was freaking tired after the chess stream yesterday. The chess stream is usually pretty chill for me. And the reason why... Where's my... There it is. Because I chill, I talk to chat, and I just make natural moves. And I don't look for anything. I don't analyze multiple lines. I don't try and go deep enough to see deeper than my opponent. I don't do that when I play chess on stream. I just don't, guys. Well, yesterday I did. First off, it's a muscle you have to exercise, right? And so I'll get better at it, like I used to be better at it than I am right now. But boy, it's a lot of work, man. I was exhausted. Sabine says, yeah, I have to reserve part of my brain to remember what groceries, but I always enjoy watching your stream. Oh, Sabine, thank you. You're so kind. It's tournament day. Oh, I didn't put the tournament up. Oh, my... Dude, Guys, do you know I started prepping the stream at 2 o'clock, and I was ready at 8 minutes before stream, and I didn't put the tournament up. And chess.com is so brutal. Okay, he goes. Now, if I take... Oh my god, the queen's going to be on this square. Oh man, now I'm stressed because of the freaking... This knight has no great places to go. He may get e6 in. It's just horrible. I gotta put the tournament up, guys. Usually it's an hour. I almost feel like I have to resign this game. I feel like I'm losing. How fast can I put the tournament up? Social? Clubs? We'll see if we come back to the game, guys. Chess chillers. Okay, I have to do this on the first attempt. New club event. It won't let me. It's tournament day. Guys, I can totally learn from this game. I can totally learn from that game. Guys, it's tournament day. I have to get and I didn't resign because I didn't want to fight. I really, you guys saw what happened yesterday, right? Let's go. Social, clubs. You guys can see the sausage, folks. Hey, I joined chess.com beta. Don't talk about that. Here, new club event. It goes Club Swiss Tournament. Chillers Weekly Open with under 1100/U 700 winners. Okay, standard 10-5, bing bings, 10-16. Okay, the big thing is the time. 15:00. Minimum rating, 5 games, no minimum ratings. Okay, now we just have to double check it. Chillers Weekly Open with under 1100 and under 700 winners. Rated 10 minutes with a 5-second increment. Today, the 16th, at 1500 hours. Players, no minimum match. Go. Okay, I'm going to copy the link. Oh! I forgot. Dude, I didn't have to resign. Guys, I start the stream at 3 now. I didn't have to resign. Okay, it's not that big of a deal to me. Because, oh my God. We just have to look at this opening real quick, guys. It literally, yeah, white won. Oh my God. Game review. I think we both played like 99%, I think it said real quick. Let's see. 100%.
Can go your way, but there are some good moves to review. Let's take a look.
Whoa. It talks? There's no way. It says you play like a 2400 and I played like a 2300. Look at this, guys. Now, if you want to play like a 2400, play e4, knight f3, bishop c4, a castle, and then resign. And it will say you play like a 2400. Four moves. Charlie, for a certain amount of stars, do you ever Discord one-on-one games? I haven't. You mean like on stream? The thing about on stream is I can't have people that I don't know paying any amount of money just to get to where they can say something on my stream. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I've had people from the community on my stream before, like FIDE Master David Bassett, recently Trey and Drew in the gaming stream, but I know Trey and Drew and I've known them for years, right? My girlfriend's brothers I played Call of Duty with, I know them. Do you know what I'm saying? Private Discord, you mean like a private chess lesson or something? You know what, Sabine? Send me a private message and I will consider it. I've never considered it before, but you know what? I've been starting to do the, what's it called? Yes, man? Yeah. Oh, you guys can't even see. Let me move my mug. Look. He played like a 2400. I played like a 2300. And the reason is because the game was so short. All I want to do is come to the opening book and see what the number one moves are. Okay. Oh, I want to explore. Okay, everyone plays d5 here. Some people play g6 like me. e4, d6, number one answer. Bishop c4, number one move, bishop g7, good. Queen e2 is the number one move. No, he played knight f3. Castle's number one answer. Dude, look at the rook hop. Look at the rook hop, because I have been starting to use my Discord. Trey, what's up, my brother? Trey came in on YouTube to say, hey, look at the rook hop, guys. That looks like a real castle, doesn't it? Okay. Queen e2, and is that the number one? Nope. Castles or queen e2. Okay. Now, in this position, I didn't know what to do. Is this where I resigned? Bishop g4 is not even in the list. The number one move is c6. And someone was saying, is c6 a move? Second most common move is my move, bishop g4. Yes, like a message. All you would do is tell me what move and why. Got you, Sabine. Like I said, send me a private message and we'll talk about it in private messages. Okay? But yeah. Okay. You know, if you become a supporter, Sabine, we do have chess workshops once a month. And I will look at one of your games and I will tell you every move what you're probably doing wrong in the opening. What is your what's your rating, Sabine? Or like I said, we could let's talk about it after so it doesn't become the theme of the stream. C6. Who said C6? Someone said C6. I'm gonna catch you. I'm gonna find you. Is C6 a move? Nathan Watson. Yeah, I mean it's definitely a move. And it was the most common move in this position. Like C6, E5. Oh, I could play knight D5. See, these are the themes, guys. Knight D5. Because if takes, I have this. And I'm on the bishop. Wow. Knight D5. C6. The reason why C6 is so great, Nathan, is because knight D5. Wow. That's just a little bit cray-cray, folks. You learn something new every freaking day here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Okay, so C6 was good. After my move, bishop G4, he pushes E5. It goes DE5. Wait, did I resign here? Yeah, I played DE5 and resigned. And there's a whole bunch of games with 2300s in this position. 2500 is black. 2600 is black. Another Mikhail Gurevich, guys. Not Dmitry. The multiple Guruviches. There's multiple Guruviches. Okay, so takes, guys, I made double blunders. First off, I thought I was losing, and I'm not. Analyses, it's plus 0.2. DE5, DE5. Now I can go knight F to D7, and he can play E6, which I thought was pretty bad. But he what? Knight E5? Is that not E5? Oh, it's my move. Okay, so knight E5 I have. EF7, king H8. See, so often when I feel like the position is getting really messy, I feel like I did something wrong. What about games where we exchange moves via courier pigeon? Do you think we could train some pigeons to fly moves around? That would be the earliest versions of postal chess. Branson J. Collins, how you doing, Branson? How you doing today, Bill? It's Thursday. You got gigs this weekend? I got nothing. I got one gig on the books, guys. I got one big gig on the books, November. I was approached yesterday to perform in a really cool town called Green. You ever heard of Green Hall? But it's spelled G-R-U-E-N-E, I believe. But it's called Green Hall. Green. It's a really cool area. There's rivers. People go down there to do water rafting and stuff. Tubing, internet tubing. On long rivers, long, lazy, freaking, it's really cool. And there's a lot of music down there. And I was offered an opportunity to perform at a hurricane fundraiser. And I asked him, what exactly do you mean perform? What are you asking me? Because he's a front man. Are you asking me to play guitar for you? Are you asking me to bring my guitar and sing myself? Are you asking me to bring Courtney and do a duo? Are you asking me for an entire band? What exactly are you asking me? And he didn't answer. He's my friend. Yeah, maybe he doesn't know. Maybe he's letting that message sit. So see, this line is fine for me, guys. This line is fine for me, but this looks so weird because this move hits here and here. Look, bishop E3, and you just rip this, right? No, we take here first. Okay, and then we take this. Wow. Yeah, it says knight C6, but I like taking the bishop first, man. Why do you not rip that bishop? It's because you develop your pieces. Rook D1. Where does my queen go? Queen C8. See, this is just weird, guys. This is a weird position, but look at my bishop. My king is relatively safe. This pawn is annoying. We have threats on this bishop. If he comes back, I could maybe even win it. Bishop D5. Well, I can't win it probably now. Queen comes to do an infiltration. Look at the king. He can't castle. King D2. Well, he can castle. He's running. Okay, so I was okay in that game, guys. Here's the craziest thing. The stress of not having the tournament put up, guys. I didn't have the tournament up. And because of this, I knew I was going to be stressing the whole game. And I felt like I'd already messed up the opening on anyway, which I actually didn't. But I just learned a couple of themes, King's Indian themes, that I didn't know. Yeah, 95, C6 95. Branson says, I posted my game review on the Charlie Soto Gaming subscribers page. Let me know what you think when you see it. Cool, Branson. Bill Stevens says, I actually do have a huge gig on Friday. I'm headlining a festival, but I'm a little concerned about the temperature. I'm thinking playing from 9 to 11 outside might be brutal on the old fingers. Is it going to be cold? Did it cool off? Bring the space heaters. Okay. Let us get into another game. Oh, yeah, the guys. I thought I had to put the tournament up because it was going to start late, but I forgot we start the chess stream at 3, and we have 2 hours before the tournament even starts. Double blunders, folks. So we have time for another game. We're going to play it. We're going to calm down. We're going to play another 15-10. Whoa. Okay. New game. Play. There we go. Wolf, what's up, dude? How you doing, man? Good to see you. Okay, guys. Calm your heart. I don't care about the rating points. Okay. This, I think, is the move. Now, I could play c4, and I think it's probably best. I'm going to play it. Is this a trap? Plays the knight. Now, if I come here, he has no checks. I'm going to do this because it expands it. And that knight, I don't want that knight there. You know what grandmasters do? They just develop, guys. They just develop. I could play check and push. What about queen check? I never look for stuff like this. I never look for stuff like this in the opening. Queen check. I'm attacking the knight. The knight must come back. Then I push. And I think I win a piece. Oh my god, does he have like malarkey and scenarii? What about, okay, we have to analyze. Queen a4 check, knight defends, pin. Watch. b5. Stay on the pin. Okay, yeah, look at this, bishop. Stay on the pin. Probably, oh, he doesn't have queen takes because it's protected. Then like maybe takes what? I don't think it works. We're gonna play the check. This could be a trap. I think at 1609, if this guy knows traps. Oh wait! This square. Knight c6, push b5. If takes, he has a check. I think we have to do this. I think we'll have to kick the knight. Kick the knight. b5, I can... Oh, b5, I always could have took the pawn, though. Kick the knight. He could play this one, but then I take here. He could play queen takes. Maybe with malarkey and scenarii. This is probably... Oh, yeah, but the knight is pinned. That's good to know. If queen... I think I take a piece. I think a piece is a piece is a piece is a horse, right? Because I can, if he does queen checks, I can block. We can get developed and castle and laugh. Okay, I heard Magnus say something too. Wolf says, I'm good. I started taking Wednesday off of streaming to focus on YouTube. Cool. Cool, yeah. Dude, you know what, Wolf? Yep. Time management. Okay. We probably develop. Nope. We develop this way. He could queen check and save his knight. But if I take this knight, he could queen check on e5. I think it's okay. I'm taking it. If I lose, I'm playing it like a blitz game. I should have spent more time. Folks. So we shall see. That wasn't the best check. I think he wanted to stay on this square. Because now I can do this. And there's no more checks. Right? Bishop covers. Knight's coming. I'm up a piece. Okay. We kind of want to trade queens. What if we push and kick the knight? Where does it go? It comes to a good square that is protected. I can't play queen back. He wants to play the knight to this square. He can't, though. He's not allowed to. It's against the rules. Now, an idea is queen g6. We'll give him this move, and I can't develop my bishop. Oh, he gets the bishop check. Okay. Right. He got a pawn, guys. It's okay. You know what? We develop. Get the queen. The knight's pinned. If he castles, I need to do this. Okay, that probably wasn't best because I do this, and now we're okay. Nope, because the knight's going to come in. I want to trade the queens. How do I... Oh, if the knight moves, I get this, though. The knight can't come in because I take the bishop. So this feels okay. It feels okay. It is made of what, folks? It is made of free bishop with the queen trade. Free bishop with the queen trade. Ulysses, how you doing, man? At what point? Free bishop. Okay, wait. He takes... Oh, now if I take, he comes here, but then I have this move. Where is my king ever going to find safety? I can't take with the bishop. Then he might bring the knight. Is it made of fright? This move in here, he comes back. I could castle long. There's no dark squared bishop anymore. And I'll have this file, and I will have development. My queen is on the wrong side of the board, and this file is not exactly... I'm moving a little quick. If you take bishop and he takes your queen, you could take his queen with the knight. If I take bishop... But you don't mean... If I take the bishop, he just takes with his knight. And you're talking about here, if I take bishop, then he takes your queen. He can't take my queen. Oh, I see. If I... Oh my God! Ulysses, castling was a blunder. I had queen before. Darn it! You know what he has? You know what his answer is? Queen e3 check. And then, after I take his queen, he takes my queen. It would not have won a piece. Yeah, it wouldn't have won a piece. He had queen e3. But, I didn't see it. If I do this, I think I could still castle. Although he could maybe play queen g3. Because he'd have this. I think I could play this though. Because my bishops cover all the squares. He could play queen f6 and I could come back and make a draw against 100 points lower than me. Not feeling it, folks. He took a piece we need to take back. It's very simple. Either knight takes, queen takes, bishop f3 defending, and then the queen has to move. And then I could castle this way and maybe try an attack. Or the simpler idea is bishop takes. Knight e5 is going to hop in. That's why I think we have to go for this line. Doing it. Oh, it was pinned. Knight e4, oh, it was pinned, right? You always got to remember this move. Now, I could castle and defend my rook too. This thing about this move, it makes him move his queen. See what I'm saying? It makes him move his queen to h3. Then if I castle, he might attack my knight. I could improve the bishop. Queen. It's either castles or bishop f3. I don't really want my king here anymore. I think my king is actually not exactly safe here. But probably, well, there's a pawn. Another idea. Just, we got to look at it. Bishop, right? Queen moves. Takes, pawn takes, queen takes. I'm hitting the rook. I'm hitting a pawn. And I'm threatening to come back. And I'm up a piece. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's hit the queen. Hit the queen. It defends the rook backwards. I appreciate you, Charlie. This looks impossible to me. Well, I probably didn't play it right, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. I am using my brain. Yeah, you saw that, Ulysses, right? That was a line. Ulysses saw a shot I didn't see. It doesn't work. It didn't win a piece. Okay, plays queen back. Right? Now. Oh, so I can't do that. Well, I can offer a queen. Okay, I can improve the bishop. F5. Castles threatens to bring a rook with tempo. This square is open, but you know what? It's not really open because I could play this. I think I'm going to castle. Oh, he could play... No, he could play bishop f5. Can I play here? His knight could always come, and after takes, pawn takes, this file is open. This diagonal I'm scared about. I think I play this now. Improve. If he plays bishop f5, I play queen b6, I think. Nope, because he has knight d4. Do we just trade? You know what will happen? Here's why I can't trade. Because of these light squares. These, say them. These light. Exactly. These light squares. If takes, pawn takes, castles, he can play bishop f5, or he could start attacking stuff, and my king, it's not good. But I'm up. But after castles, bishop f5, I can bring a rook. We can start attacking. Do I castle, or do I play here? This line I said doesn't work because of this, because then takes, pawn takes, bishop moves, rook checks. It's not good, guys. It is not made of any type of simulated formica or wood grain finish. Bishop to this square and f3. My queen's out of play, guys. And I can't bring it back to attack his queen. I could do this and then queen back. Nope, because his knight takes a check. It might still be okay. Takes, and then bishop back. Oh no, the bishop would be gone. Takes. So the bishop won't be under attack because it'll be gone. Takes. Then maybe castle. Okay, I have to look at it. Bishop e4. Bishop f5. Queen c2. Bishop takes d4. Pawn takes. I take his bishop. And I won a piece. Rook check. I just play king f1. So he's going to have to take my bishop. Queen takes. Wait. No. Here, bishop makes a threat. He can't play knight e4. Oh, he can. It doesn't work though. I think this is the move. God, dude. That was so hard on my brain, man. Okay, right. Now here. Now if he plays knight, I just take. See, I'm protected. He is not. So I can play here. Okay, threatening a trade of queens, which is what we want. Now he wants to move his queen and push. He wants to move his queen and push. Where does it go? It can come nowhere on this file. So I will play this rook move. No, my queen... He plays f5. I can get a check, but then his rook will come with tempo. I don't have multiple choices. That's probably not a bad move. What about check and castles? He brings a rook. My queen has to go somewhere. He can push. Is he going to win? He can't win my bishop. This is another idea, but trying to trade, but I think we check because we need to, because it was with tempo. Right? Now, I have to castle. I have to connect my rooks, guys. Or what about king f1? And this comes with tempo. I think I'm safer over here. Well, look at knight b4. Look at castles. Knight b4 threatening actual checkmate in one move. And it's my queen. I could hit it. Then he could come into this square with a check. So, castles I can't do. I think it's king f1 then. To start bringing some threats, man. Oh my god. The d3 square, guys. He's going to push. Make me move my bishop. Hit my queen. Oh my god. He might be winning a piece already. He might be winning a piece. Son of a gun. Son of a gun. Yeah, he's winning a piece. He's winning a piece. Well, he's winning an exchange? Can I stay on the knight? I can't. Yeah, see, he's got too much play. I can attack. He's queen. I'm going to. Right? Not gonna lie, I feel super dumb. Sabine, no way. I watch better players play and they are analyzing faster. The biggest thing they're doing is analyzing more correct moves than I'm analyzing. Okay. Knight hitting a... Oh, he's on my queen. He's on my queen. I could come here. Threatening checkmate. Saving a pawn. I'm doing that. Okay. Now, I can't castle. I'm threatening checkmate, though. He might play this, which might not be good. Okay, well, there we go, folks. And in this position, we have a totally winning Manunu. Guys, 1600s. All you got to do is not drop. Just don't be dropping pieces. Don't be losing. We're going to look at this game. We're going to look at the squiggler. Guys, I have checkmate. Ulysses says, I just checked the engine. That move would not win the bishop, but it was the top engine move. It would maintain your positional advantage, but this is computer stuff. Yeah. No, the key to that, Ulysses, is I didn't even see the idea. I just saw it after you told me about it. And then I realized I have queen e3. And that does, I got to take back with the f-pawn. Messes my pawns up. But I believe Stockfish likes it as the best move. But it's not because it wins a bishop. And I didn't even see the idea. That's the tactical thing. My opponent has left himself in a unique situation where he is being checkmated in one move. Well, usually I'll wait a little bit, not to be a jerk, just to give him a chance. Give him a chance to see it. You know what I mean? You know what he got? He got tunnel vision. He got tunnel vision. He's like, I'm down a piece. I have activity. Dude, I saw lines where he kicks this bishop and I move it and then he plays rook takes. But in this position, actually, bishop takes. He would lose an exchange, but in this position, he would have queen e2 checkmate. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, he sees it. He sees it. It is odd for him to not resign. Is like, but you know what? Maybe at 1600, maybe he just plays hope chess, and that's okay. We're gonna put him out of his misery, folks. 1100s are not stupid, Ulysses. They are not. Yeah, probably gonna be on Elden Ring after dark. 1100 players are not stupid. As a matter of fact, 1100 players are geniuses. They are chess gods compared to the 200s. They are. And you know what 2500s are? They're easy points for Magnus. Easy points. They make bad moves. Drag them into the end game. They don't even know how to spell the word end game, right? So yeah. 1100s are not stupid, man. They are not. 1100s are actually pretty good chess players. And they're great compared to other people. Okay, guys, game review. Let us get to the squiggler cam and see if it works. If it doesn't, I can make it work. Why?
You won with a nice mid-game mating tactic, turning an even game into victory.
Okay. White was clearly better. Look at this, guys. Have you seen the squiggler cam, Ulysses? Check it. White, that's me, was better. All the way to where I played a horrible move. And I got a disadvantage. And here black is winning. Actually, even more than I was winning. But then it came back a little bit more even because I hung in there. And then he played the great blunder. So black was still slightly better, folks. When he dropped his queen. When he dropped the mate. Yeah. It said I played like a 1700. He plays like a 1150. Crazy. Okay, I'll show you where that is. There you go, folks. Everybody enjoy the 1700 estimated rating. 1150, 76% for me, 64% for him. Let's look at the moves, folks. No brilliance. I played 2 blue moves, great moves. He played 1. I played 8 best moves. He played 7. 2 mistakes. He played 3. 0 misses. He had 2 misses, and we each blundered once. Okay, makes sense. And it should be, because I am rated slightly higher than him. Start the review.
Opening with the king's pawn controls the center and opens up the light-squared bishop and queen, often leading to sharp games.
Guys, I joined the beta program. The beta program on chess.com and said, you may see some new features that are not available to the public. And there's a little... Can you guys see? There is. I can shut that voice off.
Opening with the king's pawn.
And you can play it again.
Opens up the light squared bishop and queen, often leading to sharp games.
You know what I like about that? At the very beginning, they always say something. It'll say, in 1872, Alexander Alekhine, and you go to read it, and then it jumps right to the... They show it, but they don't show it long enough to read it. They should either not show it, or show it long enough to read it. Right? Yeah. Okay. We gotta get in this. We gotta get into this. I'm gonna turn his voice off. No, let's let it go. Okay, c4 takes space in the center, attacks the knight on d5, and prepares to develop the knight behind the c pawn. That was probably totally unheard of, but c4 is definitely a book move.
This overlooks a better way to move a knight to safety. This permits the opponent to kick a knight.
Guys, what did I want to do? I wanted to play a3, but I didn't.
There was only one good move, and you found it.
Yeah, because
you chased the knight.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and turn him off now. I keep wanting to turn him off.
One good move, and you found it.
I keep turning it back on. Okay. I played the queen, thinking I was going to be able to win a piece. Guys, he has 2 pieces developed and a queen coming and an easy bishop, and I have a queen over here that is trying to pin this knight so I can win it, and it takes time even to take it, and my king could get in trouble, which my king did get in trouble, by the way. Let's go.
This gives away a free knight.
Free? Oh yeah, and I took it. Hey!
Captured that free knight.
Yeah. Okay. I took the free knight. You captured that free knight. Thank you, chess.com, for speaking to me in language. Has anyone ever seen this language thing before? Oh.
Looked an opportunity to sacrifice a queen for a nice tactic.
And here we go with with Ulysses' idea, guys. Let's retry. Ulysses was saying I could win a bishop, or thinking maybe I could win a bishop by queen takes. In addition to that, though, you know what? In addition to that, even Ulysses, even after queen takes, knight.
While sacrificing the queen was the right idea.
If knight takes and takes, he does get a check. It says +3. Why? King D2 and here, and then King C3. King C3 to trap the knight. So the knight probably doesn't get out. And then he's going to have 4 pieces and a rook. So what does that work out to? Cancel 1. It'll be 3 pieces for a rook, and this is totally winning. But here, the thing about it is I didn't even consider it. But after this move, he has the move I saw pretty quickly. Sacrifice, queen e3, check. Fe3, knight b4. It's +2. I was already up a piece, so I am winning. King f2 is a safer place than castling long. We're attacking this, and this is just a game. Right. So I played bishop e2, and it would have been better to go for those exchanges, right? For sure. Okay, takes. Guys. Hey! Guys, I was torn between this move. It says it's best. And then this move. It says it's best. That means they're tied. But this move I kind of like. Queen g2, because it's always fun to play bishop f3, defending the rook. Right? It's always fun to play that move, guys. For me, it is. So queen h3, or it says queen g6. Yeah, queen g6, best move. Okay, castles is the move, guys. We got to look at castles. Okay, bishop d7 with a threat. Yep, queen. Bishop f5. How is it not bishop e4? How is this not the move? It's +1.5. This goes to +1.2. Bishop takes. Queen takes. Rook a d8 developing, but the second best move. Oh, it wants rook a d8. Okay. Rook a d8, and then just trade. Now, I'm up a piece, and I got the queens off. I have 4 pawns, and he has 3 pawns for the piece. But you know what? These pawns, they control some squares. They do. The 3 pawns that he has for my piece, but you know where they are? They're like, 1 is here, 2 is doubled, and 3, we'll call it this one. In the center, which that's a good pawn, guys. It's a very good pawn. Okay. If all the pieces came off and his pawns were rolling, that would be one thing. But these pieces are going to attack things. And it's just not so easy. 3 pawns doesn't always equal a piece until the 3 pawns are threatening to advance. And these 3 pawns, it takes a long time to move 3 pawns on 2 pawns. It takes a long time to get these pawns going. Nothing's passed. I think most people would take white here. Yeah, and it likes white slightly. Okay, guys, is the tournament open yet? No. The registration, let's check it out, folks. The registration starts in... Oh, it starts in... Yeah, because the tournament starts at 5. It's so crazy starting the stream at 3, man. Your energy is absolutely infectious. Wolfo Rumbus. I love it. You know what, Wolfo? You know why? Because I freaking love chess. I love chess. Even when I'm just chilling out and I'm talking about chess, I'm passionate about it. I want to be better at it. I want to learn. I love that I play better enough, and I've been doing this long enough to where a lot of people in chat, I can help them without hurting them. I can help them without hurting them. Because I've been just doing this for a long time. And I've read a lot of books. And when I'm shoving ideas down your guys' throat, you're going to see the example. I shove these ideas down your throat. You know what I'm saying? And those are the things I try and teach you guys. I don't try and teach you like, well, you know, I'm 1700 on chess. I was 1994, I think, in the United States Chess Federation. I was 6 points away from a expert title. Okay? But I didn't get there. Life happened. Got married, had babies. But the thing is, I'm not a master. I am not a beginner. I am not a beginner. And I know the difference of when to explaining to people ideas. I know the difference where when I don't know, I say I don't know. And then we find out. Either from the engine, sometimes we'll have a FIDE Master David Bassett will be in chat. We have other players that are 2200 on chess.com. Heck, we even had a grandmaster coming in here. He'd come in here quite a few times, but he really didn't talk. He might have said hello. Illingworth, Australian grandmaster. So we got a good thing going here, man. And I love chess, and so I'm going to sound pretty passionate about it. What do we do? Do we go for the world record, guys? One thing I did... The world record, guys, I'm not working well toward the world record. When you say the world record, I'm not actually trying to break a real world record. You go to more and you go to vision. You ever do the vision trainer? Wolf's apparently there's an October supermoon. A comet tonight. Wow. I saw some people looking at a comet a couple nights ago. Okay, our personal best is 29. I'm going to say we've been stuck on 29 for at least 4 or 5 days. I do 5 of these every day. They only take 30 seconds each. And the biggest thing is mouse speed. Well, no, I still make mistakes sometimes. But mouse speed is part of it. And, guys, I'm going to be 57 on Friday. Happy coffee to me. I'm going to be 57 on Friday, guys. And because of this, I'm just not 23 anymore. You know what I'm saying? I drink coffee. People at my age sometimes stop drinking caffeine. I drink coffee. Hey, I get... Well, okay, look. You see it, though? It's not shaking. But I can't hold it perfect. I know you guys are all 20, 25 to 34-year-olds. You're going like this. It looks like a picture, right? Yeah. So mouse control becomes a thing. So our secret weapon has been half calf. I'm drinking half calf coffee. Well, guess what? I fell off the wagon today, folks. We went full caffeine. This is attempt number 1. No warm-ups. Okay. But I do a little bit of looking for a second. Okay, E5, G5, E4, D5, C6, B7, right. A1, B3, C5. Come on with C5, dude. What the heck? C5, F4, G5, H6. Yep, G7, H7. Okay, H1. I do that to kind of get my bearings. Once we break our record and we get to 30, then I'm going to flip the board. That'll be a whole nother game. Here we go, guys. Here we go. World record time. Already messed up. Okay, 20 with one mistake. That, without the mistake, would have tied the record again. But I'm telling you, when you hit the wall, it's so hard to push past. Attempt number 2. Happy early birthday, Ben Ray. Thank you, man. Sabine says I have a mental disability, so I'm determined to get this. Love it, Sabine. I love it. If there's any, like I said, if there's any way I can help you, we'll talk about it. I'm going to be 28 in November, says Wolf. Dude, that's a great age, man. And I'll still be drinking coffee. Do you provide coaching services? I'm currently rated 1,000 to 1,100 ELO. Woeful, you know what? I really don't, and I've always said no, but I will tell you this, Woeful. If you find me on Facebook, it's Charlie Sardo Gaming. and send me a private message. I will talk to you there about it. I'm not saying I'm going to start giving private lessons, guys. I already give private lessons to the chess subscribers on YouTube. On Facebook, we do once a month workshop. On Facebook, hit this button for more information. You get stickers for chat, behind the scenes footage, monthly workshops, and more. But like I said, send me a private message and we'll talk about it, okay? Now, what do we got here? This is attempt number 2. Do we already put our... Wait, we got to come here. Attempt number 2. That was a good warm-up, right? Attempt number 2. Okay, here we go. Start. E4, E5, G5. That was a misclick. I saw it. Wow. Yeah, okay. Yeah. That was a misclick. I was going to it and I clicked early, but that's part of the deal. We need more rhymes in time. We will get our rhymes in another times. It's not a good rhyme. Good rhyme. It wasn't a good rhyme. Here we go. Attempt number 3. We got this. Come on! Remember we played this game before? We're waiting for it to get E2. Okay, there was one E2, so we got it right once. This is how we abort our turn, guys. That was a bad start. I'm not doing that. 10 seconds, folks. Can we get another E2? What are the odds? 1 in 64? Faster! Faster! E2, give us one more E2. I'll show you guys. We hit it. Didn't get it, guys. Let me move my mug. Oh, you can see it. You can see the green? See the green right there, folks? Right above my head. It's right here. There was one E2 when I spammed E2. Guys, I only get 5 turns, but guess what? We're taking 6 turns today. Guess why? Because I can. And we have to reload it because I break the game every time. Okay, calm down. Calm down. We got this. This is attempt number 3. We're aborting attempt number 3, and so this is attempt number 3. E4, G5. Dude, I'm that was a mistake. C3. Horrible. You know, that happened yesterday, too. I literally did like a couple of good ones. Yo, play me, Joe. Joe, you know what? I think we could play a 10-minute game. Let me do... that was the 3rd attempt that we redid the 3rd. This is my 4th attempt. Am I right? Here we go. Okay. Why? I knew I did that wrong right when. It's like locking your keys in your car. Okay, we're back on track. This will be the last attempt, guys. We're going to call this a 5th attempt. I don't care if I did 6, folks. I broke the rules. Ban me. Don't talk and do an attempt. You got to lock in. You ain't even kidding. Joe says, I got my wisdom teeth removed. Hurts, but let's go. Cool, Joe. I got one more of these, and then you know how to send it, right? Let me turn my the bot on. If you want to know how to play me on not on chess.com, on the Facebook stream, you can type !play, and that's how you get. It'll tell you how to play me. My name is Rosewood Telly, ROSEWOODTELE, one word, on chess.com. You challenge me, but it's gonna be 10-minute game unrated, not a 15-10. Okay. Last attempt, then I'm gonna play Joe. Joe, get it ready, Rosewood Telly, because we gotta get it rolling. G2. 28 no mistakes. I was about to click, and I hesitated on H7. Did you see that? Okay, well, that's it, guys. But see, these... At 29, man. 29s are hard. We get 29s sometimes. We're just building our muscles. We're getting better at it. Chess.com beta has a new note. Am I allowed to show that here? Notes. Someone posted a tournament here. Close your account. You have to contact support. Huh. Chess.com beta, and people are posting links to tournaments in the Chess.com beta. Interesting. Maybe it's a beta tournament, guys. Maybe it's a tournament for the beta. Let me shut these off. Are you sending it? Are you sending it? There you go. Yeah, Joe. But say it's got to be 10-minute unrated. 10-minute unrated, Joe. You got me? 10-minute unrated. I will come back to this page. We will shut off those things. We will go to play. Is the tournament registration open yet? Let's see. It is, guys. Tournament registration is open. I'm going to join. I'm the first one in. I'm going to copy. And I'm going to post this on YouTube chat as well, folks. Because, well, I'll put it on Facebook first. Join. Whoa. Tourney. Come on, man. Guys, I can't type already with the mic. It's my great excuse, folks. I'm a great excuser. There we go. Join tourney here. And I'm going to copy that. And we're going to give that to YouTube as well, because we got a couple folks watching over there. And man, I want you to play, brother. We have all levels in this tournament, guys. Don't be afraid to play if you're rated 600, because we have an under 700 prize and a 200 rated and a 600 rated won the under 700 prize last week. There we go. Join tournament here. Bang. Yeah. There we go, man. Okay, so we've got it up. Everyone knows how to join the tournament now. Whoa. Okay, close that. I'm not seeing my challenge. Joe, what's happening? Where was the hurricane benefit your friend asked you to play? He said in Green. There's a few music venues in Green. Of course, there's Green Hall. And there's a place right next to it. I think it used to be called Oma's Garden. Now it's called a different garden. It's a really cool venue. And it's like next door to Green Hall. Yeah. Who did we see at Green Hall? We went and saw Pete Anderson at Green Hall. Who else did we see at Green Hall? We went to Green Hall to see someone else. Some pretty big acts come through there. Who the heck did we see? Courtney would know. I forgot. Joe, Alexei, I'm losing you, brother. Yeah, I mean, can you spell that? Say it again. I think Green, I think, is Grune. Yeah. Yeah, and Green Hall is kind of the, you see a lot of people play. I guarantee Willie's played Green Hall. There's just no way Willie hasn't played Green Hall. You know what I'm saying? It's a pretty cool venue. Unless it came around after he got famous and then just never got to it. And is maybe too big for it. I don't know. They get pretty big acts in there. We saw another band at Green Hall. I can't remember who. Joe, type your name on chess.com exactly as it appears. I'll show you guys exactly how we do a chess workshop. The chess workshop works like this. I say, Joe, Alexi, type your name exactly as it appears on chess.com. In chat. Under 600 prize, first $200. No Buckwild. No Buckwild. There are no cash prizes, Buckwild. Stop with the cash prizes. There are no cash prizes for this tournament. It is bragging rights only. Bragging rights only. See, come on, Joe. We got time, brother. Type your name exactly what appears on chess.com, and I will challenge you. Yeah, we've been doing this for many, many years, and we're going to continue doing this for many years. Every Wednesday is tournament day. I wake up Wednesday, and I'm excited, guys. I wake up Wednesday, I'm excited. My clothes are at the laundromat, and I'm going to get them after the tournament. Tournament starts in 50chess.com minutes. So get into the tournament and get involved. Yeah. I'm sorry, Buck. I know you're just kidding, but I'm going to go ahead and delete that comment just because it's like, I don't want anyone to think that's true. The joke was fine, but when you start talking about money, people get weird. Yeah, I meant, can you? Oh yeah, you got that. You got that. So is my man still here? Joe Alexi, are you here, my brother? Because I do not see you. You keep saying you want to play. He's not here. I'm gonna start another game. Did you ever see Willie? I've never seen Willie, and Willie's the last one. Willie's the last one of that group, man. After Chris died, I don't think there's Willie, Waylon, Merle, Johnny, and Chris Christopherson's right in there with him, believe it or not, because he's such a great songwriter. And Willie's the only one. He's the last one. They're all dead, sir. Yeah. Ooh, Colin Bielski joined the tournament, folks. Okay, I'm going to start another game because this is why, Joe, you got to be quicker than this. And I love you to death, but you got to be quicker. I'm going to play a 10-minute game, which is the closest to the time control that we have. New game. It's going to freak out and say, you can't, because you're in the tournament. Tournament starts in 50 minutes. No, dude, don't be sorry. Well, yeah, but no, there's only one Merle in that group of people that I consider a certain era. A certain era, a certain vibe. Like I said, to me, I don't even put George Jones in that. To me, Merle Haggard, Waylon Jennings, Johnny Cash, Willie Nelson. Those four are like your all-time country guys, in my opinion. In creativity and originality and heartfelt and great performance and just everything great. There's other great legends of country music. Hank Williams, George Jones. I mean, I'm not knocking George Jones. I just don't put him in that category. Chris Christopherson's right there with them. That's my humble opinion. And now that Chris died, I gave you all the time in the world, my brother. Sorry, Joe. Gotta keep it moving. You prefer, dude, John Denver and Johnny Cash. Yeah, John Denver was great, man. John Denver got flack for being not country. You know why? They said he was, okay, we got to remember this now. We got to remember that idea where it's okay if they push E5 way after C6. We have to play D6 to stop this move. Then we play here. If he pushes. Oh, if he plays. Oh, you love it, folks. This is a good move. Those are the guys that walk into a boot store. The guy behind the register just says, take whatever you want. Yeah, Rhodes, how you doing, man? Yeah, I'll tell you. Yeah. Like, to me, when okay, now I think we play this. Bishop C4 is not in, though. But I think we play this move. No, I know, or we just castle. Because if push takes, we're okay. We castle. We're not going to get E5 in, though, because of that bishop. There are ideas. There are ideas with C6, Queen E8, guys. Now, I could play C5. Is E5 a maneuver? No, E5 doesn't work because of the pin. Oh, C5, castles takes. No. C5, pawn takes, castles. Just trades down, we're okay. C5. Admit you dancing around to Billy Ray. Dude, Billy Ray Cyrus was a really good singer. Will the players be paired by rating in the tournament? It is paired exactly how all tournaments are done in a Swiss tournament on chess.com. If you want to understand how Swiss tournaments are done, how Swiss pairings are done, you can look it up maybe. Takes. Google how are Swiss tournaments paired. I think this is my move because it covers. And it... Now I think we get rid of this bishop. He definitely does. If you send enough stars, he'll do it on stream. Admit you dance to Billy Ray Cyrus sometimes. Buckwild knows me. Billy Ray Cyrus had such a big hit with that Achy Break Your Heart. Poor guy, he probably still sings it. He has to. The heck, John Denver isn't country. If John Denver isn't country, then neither is Tim McGraw. Okay, there's no pin here, though, guys. So, he's threatening to double my pawns. If I come here, he plays takes. That's bad. I could maybe... I could go here, and if knight takes, pawn takes, rook takes, I have like a discovered attack on the rook, but I don't know what it does. What's he threatening? He's threatening my knight. It's probably not a bad move. You know what? He's going to mess my pawns up. Good. You know what else he's going to do, though? He's going to play takes, and he's going to get infiltrated here if I come here and mess his pawns up. So... I want to develop a bishop. Right here, maybe knight d5. It all kind of sucks, man. If I come here, do I have options? I can't come here. I can't come here. Let's look at this again. Takes, rook takes. I don't have this move. I just don't have a good... I don't have a good discovery on the rook. So, let's just develop a piece. I might have to take with the pawn, believe it or not. And there's a reason. We'll see. I wasted way too much time. Weston with the 200 stars up for the day. Thank you, Trey, for the share. Thank you so much, man. We got a lot of likes, guys. We got a lot of likes. Guys, if you're watching YouTube, throw me a like. Oh, you played some Swiss tournaments. Yeah. It's a Swiss tournament. John Denver, because he wasn't wearing a cowboy hat and like, a pearl snap shirt with embroidery on it. He didn't have a beard. He had glasses. I mean, I wear glasses. I ain't claiming to be a cowboy. You know what cowboys wear glasses? Well, the ones that can't see. Right? Does that win a pawn? He might win a couple of pawns. Wow. Okay. Man. I have to move it. I can't attack anything worthy. We're going to come in the central. He's going to get this and hit my rook. Okay, he takes. Now, if I take... See, guys, there's a threat. When his bishop takes his pawn, there's a threat of me playing this. Oh, no, he could come back. He could come back. I didn't see it. If I come here... If I take... Take with the bishop. He's going to take this. He's going to take this. If I take with the pawn, he still takes this. Oh, then I can defend it. Duh! I didn't see rook c8. Guys, I'm so bad. There we go. I want him to come here so I can play this move. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Lose material. I want to try and suck him into it. How can I suck him into it? Brings the rook. Okay. Defending the pawn. Okay, I'll come here. Just improving the rook. Hoping to suck him here. And then I can play this move. Okay, hitting my hopper. He wants to push. This guy plays pretty good chess, guys. Ain't gonna lie. If I come here, he could play f4. If I come here, he could start doing stuff. No, I lose the pawn. So I think we do this and open the bishop. He's going to play knight takes. I'm going to lose on time. Hit the bishop. I hit the bishop. Just practicing a little for my gig, says Bill. Cool. And watching the chess stream, just enough stimulation for my brain. Chess is super hard jazz fusion charts. Nice. Are you pretty hip to the stuff? You're just refreshing your memory? Trey was on Facebook earlier. Yeah, that stereotype went down numbers. Look, 1,000% it was. How you doing, man? Okay. Yeah, he did this. He abandoned this. So do we make weaknesses? Do we... I want so bad for him not to see this. I could play rook here. And there's... No, there's not threats. I'm trying to find a move. Let's put this on a square that's not the same color as his bishop. This will reinforce El Centro. I think black is better if after knight takes. Maybe he won't take. Yeah. Now we have this big threat, guys, that he doesn't see. He doesn't see. Say it. Plays f4. Son of... Want to come here? See the threat? Well, it doesn't really work. I want him to come here. That's what I want. Then I'll play rook takes. Pawn takes. Bishop check. King here. Wait. Bishop check, king here. Bishop check, king here. It would probably be a draw. Bishop check. King there. Okay. Okay. Do we light square him to death? Do we... He probably is going to come over and start looking at this pawn. I think we bring the king. Don't know what to do. I'm going to do this. He'll probably bring a rook. I have the center pawns. I should be better. He's up 4 minutes on the clock. According to the Wiki, John Denver was considered a folk musician. Yeah, well, you know, I mean, so is the difference that you can move whatever you want to chess versus checkers. Yeah, it's totally different. It's totally... The rules for the pieces moving are totally different than checkers. Wolf says, I'm good, Trey. Okay, cool. Tournament starts in, what? 34 minutes. We got 4 players so far. Plays this move. I think we come here. Because we got 3 lined up, folks. We got 3 chess.com pieces lined up on this diagonal. And you know what the idea is? Push, push. Or push this way first. Okay. He's attacking a pawn. I may need to defend it, and I can't really. So we're going to go ahead and do this. And then you know what he's going to play? He's going to play for B. He's going to play for this move. So he plays here. I might have to do this. Putting my pawn on a square that it could be attacked. We're playing chess, guys. We're playing chess, man. It's kind of locked up. This is a protected pass pawn. Oh, it's my move, though. No, it's not my move. It's my move because he has to move his rook, is what I mean. He'll probably play here, and I won't have it. Okay, he comes here. It's already protected. So we're going to give him a chance to go wrong. Trade bishops. His bishop's better than mine-ish. What's it doing? Nothing. Mine may... Okay. Now, after takes, if I push, he could push. I push with discovered check, but it doesn't do anything. Takes, okay. We come here or here. The thing I don't like about this move is... Wow. How do I defend the pawn, man? What's the best way, guys? Wow, they all suck. Every square sucks. This way he can pin my bishop and give me a hard time. I don't think I can allow that, because I won't be able to defend it again. This way, I can't bring my rook. Now he can double up on this, and I can't defend it. Wow. Oh, but this square is still here loose, the guys. So we're going to have to play back, right? He gets out. I could come back. The problem is... Oh, guys, I'm getting busted. I'm just losing on time now. That was probably a mistake, but I had to move, guys. I had to move. This pawn is still weak. Now I'm going to get this one. I'm behind my passer. Now we're playing 1 minute chess against 4.5 minutes. Brings the king. Take. He's not coming in anywhere, is he? This weakness is great, guys. It's a beautiful weakness. He should figure out a way to abandon it. He did. He's trading. I have no choice. Rook takes is going to threaten here and mate. If I could come here. Okay, now he's threatening rook check. I have to save my rook. Because if I come here, check. Oh, I come here. Okay. Check. Bing, bing. Check. He could take. Go after this pawn. Oh, wow. That's probably not a bad idea. Okay. I'm threatening check and push. But he'll be okay. Sadly. Maybe if the pawn pushes, I can get something. I don't have enough time. Oh no! I walked into that. I had to come back. Guys. Great. Yeah. Okay. Well, hey, we got pawns. There's no time. Cool. Yeah, we got nothing, guys. We got nothing. We're busted. Hey, it felt good for a second. I'm gonna resign. I misplayed that. That was awesome. This is a great opportunity to learn, folks. Okay. I think I'm all caught up with you guys. if every chess piece allowed to go on any color square or just certain ones? Sabine, there are different rules. Sabine, I'll tell you, you can go on anywhere and Google how do the chess pieces move, and it's not near as difficult or scary as you think it is. Each piece has a set of rules on how where they can move. Exactly. Yeah. So, like, for instance, Sabine, to answer your question, you start with 2 bishops at the beginning of the game, right? Everybody does. I start with a black bishop and we call it a dark squared bishop and a light squared bishop, right? This dark squared bishop can only move on the dark squares. The entire game, this dark squared bishop will never change color. And this light squared bishop will never change color. It will only be on light squares till it gets taken off the board. You get 1 light, 1 dark. Same for white. White's bishop can come here, and then once it comes there, it can move on light squares only. The dark square bishop can only go on the dark squares for the rest of its life. Knights, the way they move, we can teach you that later, but they change color every time they move a square. Pawns move forward only, and they change colors. They could take here, stay on the dark square. They could move forward, move to a light square. Pawns will change colors all over the place. Kings, rooks, queens change colors at will if they want to, if they don't want to. Bishops cannot change colors. It's the only piece that will never change color in a game is the bishops. Yeah, no, got you, Sabine. Let's see how the tournament's going, folks. Okay, we got 27 minutes. Well, we usually have some late joiners for the tournament because people are watching the stream. Tips for playing the tournament. If you're watching the stream right now on your phone and you only have 1 device, ooh, I'm starting to get some answers on my little dinner plan for Friday night. If you only have 1 device, watch the stream as long as you can. When the tournament starts, actually like a minute, 2 minutes before the tournament, go to chess.com, join the tournament. Open your chess.com app, play the tournament. If you have 2 devices, that's good. Or if you have a computer, you can open up 2 windows. That's good. If you have 1 app, chess.com, and then you're watching the stream, and you minimize the stream, and you go to the app, and you're playing your game, and then you go back, and then you keep going in and out, chess.com may log you out. They might figure you're inactive. They might mark you as inactive. And then when the pairings go out, you'll get a bye, or you'll get a 0-point bye, meaning you won't get to play that round. Because it's the way they do it. Let us take a quick look. Oh yeah, so there's 34 minutes left in the tournament. Oh guys, we get to check out Hans. Dude, I love what's his name? Sagar. This guy right here, this Indian guy on the left, he is so great. He is so great. He's just a nice guy. You want to talk about being passionate about chess? He's totally passionate about chess. He explains things really. Daniel? Is it Daniel? Sagar? This guy's just great. On the right, you see Tanya. Guys, Tanya is a very strong chess player. And she is very well spoken. And people in chat, when she is commentating, constantly complain about her because they say they don't like her voice. Imagine being her. Imagine being her. Successful, beautiful, intelligent, top probably 1% of chess players in the world, probably less than that, probably top 0.5% of chess players in the world. And then you got all these idiots who don't know how to spell chess complaining in chat that they don't like the sound of her voice. Half of them probably haven't kissed a girl. If they did, they may not have been as pretty, but I shouldn't be focusing on the pretty. But the point is, it's just so freaking rude. So rude. It's a meme. It's almost like the Hans beats. It doesn't go away. Oh, Josh Arthur, yes. You know, he commented one time to me too. I was watching a YouTube live, and he was talking to some other masters, and they were looking at a position. He was asking chat, what's the idea here? And I was like, well, there was a tactic, but I couldn't make it work. But I was like, does it have something to do with the knight on G2 and kicking that bishop and then making a discovery? And he says, Charlie started gaming, give me an example. Tell me the exact moves. I'm doing impressions, right? He says, give me a line. Give me analysis. I'm like, okay. I just wanted to give him the idea so he'd know if I saw it or not. You know what I'm saying? I didn't do the hard work. And he told me, go back. He said, Charlie Soto Gaming, give me a line. Give me your analysis. Yeah. On TikTok Live. Yeah. No. She's a good commentator. She's not a super grandmaster. Most commentators aren't. She probably is not as strong as Yasser Seirawan. She's a very strong chess player. She's qualified to give 99% of chess players in the world lessons. But they don't hear that. When she has something to say, they just complain. And like I said, they're probably just jealous. They're probably scared. It's probably a phobia, guys. It's probably successful, powerful, beautiful, strong, better than me, a chess woman phobia. Nakamura wins first title Tuesday since August. Wow, he's been slacking, bro. No, he's probably been busy. Okay, this is chess today. Oh, they beat. Oh my gosh! So Sagar and what's her name? Tanya, is that her name? What's her name, folks? We gotta look. Tanya, Sagar and Tanya are gonna be playing Eric Rosen and Nemo. They're playing my team because I've played Eric Rosen in real life. And I have played Nemo online. So there you have it, folks. But I love Sagar and I love Tanya. So who do I vote for? Who do I root for? Eric Rosen and Nemo. Is that going to be the final? No, that's to get to the final. Okay. Yeah, it's a team tournament, guys. I don't even know how that works. There you go. She represented Team India and won the gold. Yeah. Now, there was something I wanted. Oh, yeah, guys. We want to go to watch. And we want to go to U.S. Championships. That's where we're going, folks. We can come down here. And we can go to games. I think, yeah, So and Neiman drew. And people were saying, I mean, they're good. Guys, wait, let me shut these up. People were saying that, but people, guys, here's the thing about chat. Guys, talk about chess. Get involved. Okay? If you don't know what you're talking about, don't act like you know what you're talking about. And you won't look silly. People that don't know what they're talking about and act like they know what they're talking about, they just look silly. And that's what these people do in chat. So they were saying that Hans scared Wesley and Wesley chickened out and played a draw-ish position. They don't chickened out. I don't know. Wesley is a very, very strong player. Like I said, he was almost in the candidates. Wesley is not known for his wild games. Wesley doesn't lose. He's not a big loser. I think he might have lost the game earlier. But fake it till you make it. Fake it to an extent. But like I said, if you walk in, people come to the chess room and they're like, people used to say this all the time. They somehow mysteriously learned not to do it as much. They'll say, in this position, A3 is best. I'm like, how do you know? Magnus Carlsen doesn't even talk like that. You need to, or not you, Buck. People need to, if you want to be respected as a chess player by higher rated players and by good players, and you want to talk to Magnus and have you think you're not a fool, then stop telling him what the best move is. Because he never says that. He'll spend 4 hours on a game against Nepomniachtchi after the game. You guys heard me say this. Magnus will be like, I think maybe F4 was better. And then Nepomniachtchi will be like, yeah, but then maybe I played G3. And Magnus will be like, Best players in the world. No one's seeing what the best move is because they don't know. If you don't know, don't speak in absolutes. Say maybe this. Say maybe that. Say, is it possible if? Dude, great example. In my first game, Nathan. I love you, Nathan. I can't even scroll up far enough. Nathan said, is C6 a move? I was like, yeah, I guess it is. Yeah, I guess it is, but it's not what I wanted to play. It was the best move in the position. Yeah. Yeah. So, my whole point is leave free Tanya. Leave Tanya alone. 98.2 for Hans, 98.6. And like I said, the chat was going crazy, loving to call Wesley So a chicken. While they don't know how to spell chess, and they're calling this guy a chicken for his decision because he probably played a line that is known to be rather drawish. Petrov. Now the queens are gone, and those were probably the best moves in this line. And you trade down, give him a weakness, give him the bishop pair. Hans tries to maneuver. There's really nothing here. You just have to be careful you don't make a mistake. You have to play this drawn position without making a mistake. And if Wesley has more experience in it, which Wesley probably does, you could lose. Play Josh game and then tries to find a win. Yeah. And Wesley, look how far Wesley's come though. Like I said, Wesley was going to be in the candidates based on rating, except for the fact that Fallujah did that kind of weird little thing and went and hustled rating points. I wonder why Wesley didn't do the same thing. Probably because he didn't want to look like Fallujah did, and it wasn't a good look. It was within the rules. It wasn't cheating, folks. It was not cheating. It was within the rules. Opposite colored bishops now. We have 3 pawn islands versus 2. White must be better. Yeah, it's plus 0.04, and it's a draw. And you'll see there we go. They just made a draw. You know what, though? To win this tournament, you don't have to beat Wesley So. You don't. To win this tournament, you got to beat people like Christopher Yu, Mishra, A Wonder, Sam Shanklin. You got to beat those guys. That's a lot of wins. That would probably, if you won every one of those games, that might be enough to win the tournament. Might be. And draw the rest. I don't know, though. I'm not Grandmaster. I'm saying I'm not sure. I am not the Grandmaster. Guys, I think I might go. What do you guys think? You guys want me to go? Guys, Fabiano's there. Wesley, Letnier Dominguez, Levon Aronian, Sam Shanklin, Gregory O'Perin, Ray Robinson, Sam Sevi, and Hans Niemann, Christopher Yu, Mishra, and I wonder, and I mean no offense to those guys who I said those are the guys you got to beat, but I think those are the guys that are least likely to win the tournament. They are incredibly strong, talented players that maybe they're some of them are very young, and maybe they will be big threats to win that tournament, win this tournament later on. But guys, I might go to the closing ceremony and go say hi to Eric again. I'm sure Eric will be there. He lives in St. Louis. Say hi to Fabi again. See Hans again. You know what I'm saying? See my old friends. Yeah. It's very possible. Is anything going on here? Ooh. Oh, white won. Ooh. Yeah, see, what did I say? Aronian beat Shanklin, folks. Howden Shanklin. Shanklin is a really good, what they call theoretical opening guy. Okay. So he plays a accelerated dragon with d6. Now this to me is a dragon. Shanklin knows for a fact after bishop b3, it's okay to play d6. 12 moves. Dude, it's a freaking dragon. This position right here is the most common style position. I mean, if we go to openings, 6,536 games with bishop b3, 357 with castles, 308. There's 7,000 games in the database in this position. This has been analyzed, guys. And he plays h3. Is that the move here? You got f3 or h3. H3 is a little rare, but that might be a way to get Shanklin out of his malarkey. Okay. How did he win? Can I do analysis? It won't let me do a game review, though, huh? Okay. Look at the rooks, guys. Look at the classical Levon Aronian. Knight c3, knight d4, bishop g5, pawn on e4, and 2 rooks in El Centro. This is solid chess, guys. This is a great way to play that. Okay, now we're going to trade his dark square bishop. He doesn't want to. Rook d3, go. Okay. Is he sacking a pawn here? This is the blunder. Black is better here. After bishop g7 or h6. Oh, guys, we have the move. Levon Aronian finds it, folks. Look at this. Look at this. Knight f5. Double exclamation, guys. You say, what? He just loses his knight. Well, he does. It's +3 after bishop h6. Oh, it's because the rook is here. This traps the king in. Queen up. Threatens rook over. Wow. So, knight e4, taking a pawn. Knight e4, bishop e5, probably rook e5. Oh, no. Bishop e5. That was d4. Bishop e5. Knight takes d6. What? Knight d6, double exclam. You got 2 double exclams, guys. f6. Knight takes c4. Queen c4. Now he's not getting mated. He has a bishop pair, but what do you do? f4. Kick the hopper. Bishop takes. Queen takes. So he literally is down a rook. And he resigned? Yeah. Wow. Aronian destroyed poor Sam Shanklin. Aronian is rated... What is that, guys? 60 points higher or something? That's quite a bit. All right, let us get back to play and play online. Chess tournament, guys. It is now myself, Buckwild. You can't see me, M Trapezoid, and Colin BLC CWMB. Now, at this point, if the tournament went off like this, because it's under 1,100 prize, which you can't see me, M Trapezoid, and CWMB would be going for. Odysseus just got in. He'd be under 1,100 prize too. And then in the under 700 section, right, guys? Yeah, under 700 section. The only person in the under 700 section is CWMB, otherwise known as Colin Bielski. If you are rated under 700 points and you want to fight for your right to party, get into the tournament. I will say it again. Join. Oh, no, wait. I think I copied and pasted it, right? Join tourney here. Bing. And give it to YouTube as well. Guys, we've had like 50 people in this tournament before. It goes up and down. Ulysses, dude. I love it, Ulysses. That's great, man. Okay. And that's, there we go. There we go, guys. Okay. I am going to give you guys Trooper Cam for 1 second because I have to run to the bio. Now, maybe we go Coffee Cam. I hate going in the... I'm always afraid I'm going to walk out like, before I pull my... I don't know, guys. It aims right at the... All right, guys. I'll take you guys to the Coffee Cam. Hey! All right, folks. We're back. Oh, the tournament's filling up, folks. We got 10 people. It's getting bigger. It's getting better. It's getting stronger. It's getting faster. You absolutely love to see it, folks. Coffee Cam is a fan favorite. Yeah. Less than 10 minutes. Bielski wants people in there, man. Bielski doesn't want to win the under 700 by default. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Eric Haddon's in there to fight with you, brother. Although... Even, and if you guys both get it, then you guys are fighting for first. So you got your competition. Eric, thank you for joining. Eric is fellow Texan, fellas. Oh, I want to show Eric something. Eric will get it. I'll explain it. But let me grab this. I want to show you guys something. Breaking news. Okay. See that, Eric? Is Eric in chat? He might be, he might not. You guys see that? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to poke a hole and I'm going to put it right in the front. But I didn't want to lose it, and I wasn't ready to do leather work today. So there's little air holes. So it has a screw on the back of it. But see the little bowl, guys? This is my cool hat. I love this freaking hat. Dude, the hat was like $30, and this thing was like $40 or $50. And it's not even fixed on there, but it sits on there, and it's great. I love this freaking hat. It's a good hat. It's my hat. It's my hat, guys. Okay, and it doesn't look good there. It's just kind of a placekeeper right now. It's going right here. You guys say, well, what is the little bullhorn thing, and why does Eric know about it? Well, Eric is a chiller. That is our community here. Eric is also a savage. Eric is part of Nick Savage community, the Savages. I ask you your Savage name every time, Eric, and I forget. Oh, Armageddon. His name is Savage Armageddon, and my name is Savage Dude. And we went to Missouri. Well, we've gone a few places to meet with Savages. Same way you guys. April of next year, plan on coming near Austin, Texas. Marble Falls, Texas in April. That is your warning. I'll set the exact date. U.S. Savage Social, Lake of the Ozarks 2024. Went and hung out with Eric. We freaking drank till the sun came up, folks. It was freaking absolutely... And look at that. I got a cup, Savage the Dude. He has one that says Savage Armageddon. I gotta do swag. I promise you guys, I'm doing swag like this. Will I have exact names on... You're gonna have to really commit and tell me if you're coming or not. Because if you're coming, I'll get... maybe I'll do some custom stuff. If not, maybe I'll just have to, sign it, with your name or something. But yeah, I should have done stickers or something, at least a sticker. So you could have gone home with a sticker that said, Charlie Sardo Gaming Real Life Meetup 2023, right? Oh, and Rhodes, of course. Rhodes says, my bull is in the same spot. I know it is, Rhodes. And I kept seeing it on the hat, and I'm like, don't some other Savages have it in the same spot too? Eric's got him on his ball cap. Did you see my comment on Eric's post? I don't know. Rhodes was checkmating Eric, and Rhodes had like 2 rooks and a queen. And Eric had a lone king, and Eric posted it because Eric got the stalemate. And I commented and said, no! And then Rhodes said he commented back. Trey's coming. Trey was there last year, man. Yeah. I feel like, oh gosh, what tournament starts in 1 minute, folks? What's his name? God, he's the guy that's part of the moving crew. The younger one that's part of the moving crew. Dark hair. What's his freaking name? When I say moving crew, they do, I think they do long hauls. Like they do escorts of wide loads and stuff. They do the pilot cars. That's what they do. What's the guy's name? He's got a great Savage name too. Either way, doesn't he? I feel like he has one. It's the place to put it. I'm putting it there. I'm copying you, Rhodes. I'm putting you there. I put it there. So yeah, so that's what I wanted to show him. Dude, that thing has been sitting on my desk since, when did we go? Was it March? Guys, it seems like so long ago. It was just yesterday, man. Rusty, is it Rusty? Isn't someone married to someone's daughter or someone's brother-in-law to somebody or something, right? There were a few of them, right? Tournament starts in 20 seconds, folks. Get your board. We have 11 players. Adam Freeman is not playing the tournament today. Oh, we got Vian Chaudhary at 1,200, guys. Esteban 62. Guys, we are going to get some new people here from the YouTube stream. And if you've come, Rattlesnake or Cobra. Yeah, one of those guys. I think is the one I'm thinking of. But I feel like I've seen that. That's the place to put it. It goes right there, and I'm going to put it there. Okay, I get Odysseus. This is great, man. Guys, I told you I'm multi-streaming to YouTube too, not because we're moving to YouTube, but because we are trying to grow the community. Plus, I told you I'm trying to get on the chess.com preferred streamer scenario, right? God, what do I do, man? What do I do? Everything I do, he's going to be familiar with. Or not. 15 chess.com seconds, folks. An idea is takes in C4. An idea is F3. Every time I play F3, I hate it. I'm doing this. I used to play this. I'm playing it now. There we go. I have some ideas, folks. I think knight C3 is the move. So I'm going to play it. Oops, missed the start. Did you miss your game, Rhodes? No! Hey, Rhodes. It's a Swiss Gambit, Rhodes. He plays the bishop. I can play check. He could play bishop back. Then I could play queen b3. It's probably Grandmaster. This is not a move because pawn takes pawn. Oh, no, but it makes a threat. But I kind of want this bishop to attack, but this bishop is so annoying, guys. Let's take him out of book. Check, queen, and then you play pawn takes. Check, knight. The pin doesn't feel correct to win. F3 can't be a move. He's on my queen. It's a check, folks. I played a check. You're welcome. You needed the dub. Ha! Thanks for the point, bros. Develops and attacking. Play this move. Very often the bishop doesn't come to the square because it gets attacked by the great annoyer. But guess what? Oh, he's getting his pawn back. No, he's not, because this is pinned. It is pinned. It is not grinned. Pin to grin? No, pin to win. Pin to win, folks. This is... Here we go. Whoa. Okay. What do he do? He defends. He defends and sends. Should have spent more time. Should have made a better run. Guys, sometimes I sing in full show tune voice. So be ready for it. Do we just Guys, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. This could cause just castle. It can't be wrong. Even if it's not the best move, it can't be like the worst move. You know what I mean? Brings the Amigos B Hopper. Okay. Did I defend this while this was pinned? I did. I didn't need to play that. Okay, now I could play Bishop G5. Bishop G5 castles. Knight to the square. Hare. Knight to the square, and I will take care of it. Hare. F3 is not a move. Rook AC1 is definitely a move. Rook here is a move, but it kind of does a little pin stir. A pin stir happen. Knight F4 breaks the pin, but does it win? It could contain a mortal sin. Tom Proctor! Tom Proctor! 200 stars.
It's been too long. Hope all is well, Charlie and Chillers.
Oh my God, Weston, are you still here? Is Weston Taylor still here? Did I call his stars? Weston, thank you for the 200, and Tom Proctor, thank you for the 200. Guys, I have a bad feeling I didn't thank him, guys. This is a move. I hit a hopper. We hit a square. We move the same piece twice. We're not developing. Bring a rook. This rook definitely comes here. It might not, though. It might be made of fear. No, it does come here. Is it made of fear, though? I want it to be made of fear. Is this better? Ooh, someone just joined. Someone just joined. Someone just got in late. That is really great. Push? Doesn't do anything. F6? No, it's a bad move. Oh my God, guys, I'm gonna lose on time. I'm gonna lose on time. I gotta make moves. The chess app is being wonky for me, and I can't get to the tourney. Dave Joyce might be able to tell you. You did call Taylor, Charlie. It's all good. Did I, Wolf? Thank you for noticing, dude. Wolf's got a good memory, guys. He pays attention. Thank you for that, Wolf. But Weston, again, I will just thank you again. Now, did we bring this? I'm going to do this. Good luck, Josh Arthur. Good luck to you, brother. Did you get in late? Bielski. Okay. Now, knight takes or bishop takes? Knight takes lets this knight into this square. So we're going to take here for now. And also, kind of freeing up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? The bishop is protected by my queen. Not playing today. Cool. I don't want my bishop to be protected by my queen. I want my pieces to protect each other. Maybe a little bit of rook action. I'm cool with. What I'm not cool with. Having my queen protect my bishop. That's a lot of work. You know? That's like, you know, I don't know. It's overkill. And it limits the power of the queen because it's got to do homework. Okay. He wants to push. We'll just take a free pawn. And I'll take it. I'll 1,000,000,000% take the free pawn. So we're going to improve. Or we could keep... Oh, gosh, I gotta move, guys. Bring a rook. Bring a rook! Oh, Josh. Josh, what did I do? I wasted half my time. Now, if I could remember my math homework from back in the day. Right. Eric hadn't. Oh, so Eric actually got paired with Rhodes and got the free point? That's just not cool. They should have let his time run out, man. Brings it. Good. Now, I'll come here. No, I will come here. Right? Whoa. It's weird. You just click on the... If I click on it, it looks like it wants to move in that direction. There's an increment. You'll be fine. You didn't get paired. You just got the buy. Okay. You got the full point buy. Man, but if Rhodes would have been there, you guys might have got paired, or it might not have been a... Plays B5. Is there a shot? There is not. I have to go somewhere. Here, there. There. Here. I can maybe come here. I gotta move. Game has started when I joined. Oh, I get it, Rhodes. Tom Proctor, man, haven't seen him for a minute. Tom, you know the After Darks are on YouTube, right? We're gaming on YouTube. We're gaming here. Hope everything's going well with you, Tom. Thanks for coming in, brother. And thank you again for the 200 Facebook gaming stars. The support is greatly appreciated. If you're new to the stream, watching on the YouTube channel, this is, I don't know how many tournaments, guys. We've had a lot. It's been over 3 years. It's not a bad move, man. It's not a bad move. Wow. Could I improve the bishop? Could I improve this bishop? Could I shove an El Centro? I'm doing it because I don't know what to do, guys. What's with the glowing pieces? Thank you. You notice them. You notice the glowers. You notice the glowers, folks. Yeah, I might have blown it here, guys. Right back. I might have blown it here. I might have to do this. I might be losing, guys. I might be losing. This really hurts. It burns like fire. It burns a little bit like fire, guys. Where can the knight go? No, we're good. I think I might be losing. If Rick digs, he can win. Exchange with, yeah, bishop. Oh, there's bishop h2 check too, huh? Yeah, I didn't even see that one. Adam Dowsing. I didn't even see that one. It's a manu. It's a manu. It's a manure. It's older than its manure. But I have ideas. Wow. Yeah, man. I spent all that time on the opening. I probably was talking too much, right? Yeah. It's okay. I'm going to do like Rhodes. It's called the Swiss Gambit. You lose or draw your first game. I think it goes like this. Takes. I think I play bishop takes. You know why? Because he has this idea. If rook takes, he could just take. So I'm going to take, and we're going to keep the pressure on. And the idea is the pressure on the bishop. That's the idea, guys. The idea is the pressure on the bishop. And his rook doesn't play. So I might be getting my piece back. I didn't get a pawn for it. I have the bishop here, and my pieces kind of... They don't suck. It's probably actually equal. Right? Okay. We got to take it now, guys. I'm the one. Yeah, he plays the bishop check. Wow. Okay, if I come here, there could be checks. If I come to this square, it could be maybe not very fair. If I come to this square, he could play queen. No, he can't play queen f4. So I have to move. It is made of groove. I'm in trouble. Well, we'll see. I didn't see the tactic that almost lost a piece, but I did see the tactic that put pressure to maybe get a piece back, which is what happened. Yeah. The king must work. Okay. I'm gonna come here. I hear bumping, guys. What does it mean? I don't know what it means, folks. We're gonna attack stuff. Okay. I think we come this way. Takes. Maybe. This probably wasn't the best move, guys. It probably wasn't the best move. I'm going to have to at some point defend my pawns, I think. Maybe I should play for clarity first before I start trying to clamp down. Hits my rook. That's why that probably wasn't good. This is cool, though, because this blocks. Oh, my God, he dropped his queen. Wow. Oh, God, I got so lucky, guys. It was a draw. I mean, I bet it was a draw. But you can't blunder. And he had plenty of time, too. Yeah. Good game, man. Good game. Wow. I thought that was going to be the first game. I thought there were going to be no other games. Let's check it out. Vian Shadhari which is, I believe, a new name. He's playing M Trapezoid, who's M Trapezoid? Are you in chat? Black is making a queen pretty darn quick with 7 minutes on the clock, forcing the king in front. The thing is, king over, and this pawn will queen way before this one does. Oh, yeah. Once the queen's in front of the pawn, it's over. He just take this, move, and start shoving the pawn. It's all there is. There's nothing there. Okay, he's hoping for a stalemate. M Trapezoid offered a draw. Vian declined the M Trapezoid draw offer, folks. Yeah, that was a great game, man. It was a draw. And you saw that shot. I thought you were winning a piece, but I saw the idea of ganging up on the knights. If you move the knight away, I win the bishop. You know what I'm saying? So it saved me. But we won't know until we look at the game if it all held water or not. But it was definitely a mistake. Just get in front of the pawn again and sit there and laugh. There's nothing you could do. Oh, he does that. Wow. Okay, let's see if he knows the technique, folks. Doesn't know the technique, folks. Oh, wait. He knows the technique, folks. Just move the king. Yep. Wow. He slipped. He slipped, guys. Vian mouse slipped. Wow. Wow. Did you guys see that? There's no way. Yeah, that was a good game, Ulysses, man. Did you mouse slip that, or did you just... I'm going to infiltrate and just didn't see the backward queen moving backwards. It happens. That was crazy, man. Did you guys see that, guys? Oh, the drama. It must have been... Now, an idea here is to maybe push this pawn. Because when you push this pawn after takes, the pawn covers a dark square. The bishop covers a light square. This king cannot infiltrate. But if you push this one... Well, actually, technically, he still can't infiltrate. So, never mind. Yeah, no, I think he might have mouse slipped. You were trapezoid. Okay, woeful. Man. And who was Vian? Vian Chod Harry. I think that might be someone new from YouTube. Guys, we're getting more people. We're growing the chess community. We got a great community here, guys. If you're toxic, you're not gonna last. So just leave that poop at the door, okay? Because the mods are my mods are like, no one's being toxic. I didn't get to ban anybody. Where are they? It's like, stop, mods. Everyone's being nice today. Deep breaths. Deep breaths. But maintain awareness, because you never know what could happen. Yeah, accidental click. Right. Where were you trying to put it, though? Where were you trying to put it is my question. This is the last game of the round, folks. Remember, all second round games start when this game is over. I'll be back in 1 second. The game starts in probably less than a minute. It was a good game. Purple chair's looking a little weird today, guys. Just a little bit weird. We got water, guys. We got water. Okay. He wants the bishop. You could just rip it for time. You could just save it. Yeah. To me, the bishop is dangerous because the bishop could help a stalemate if you're not paying attention. Like, queen here could have been a... No, it wasn't. Yes. No. he would have had a square. Checkmating with queen and bishop is a move. If you're good, do it. If not, I move the queen. I move the bishop, like, put it anywhere, and then I just start checking with... There you go. He's stalemated, guys. Dude, that's the second one we saw. And Ratul was low on time and losing on the board. Ratul's a good player. You need to put Ratul away. Now Ratul's going to come beat me. Esteban, 62. Esteban. Bishop makes 2. Complicated, low on time. Yeah, just get rid of the bishop, man. E4, we play C5. Get rid of the bishop or just set it aside. Knight F3, we play D6. Esteban, are you watching the stream? D4, CD4, Knight D4. Knight F6. Knight C3, and we will play our Najdorf. With left click 10 minutes, I'm down to 139, but I'm trying to work my way out of it, says Julian. You were drawing an arrow. Oh. Yeah, so you draw arrows while you play. I do too. I drew an arrow when I was playing 1 minute the other day on a cash challenge. Like I was winning money for every... This move does nothing. I'm going to continue with my development. Okay, the knight comes back. You love it. It didn't need to. I'm going to continue with my development. Too many pieces to coordinate. Now I'm going to come here. Or is it queen c7? It might be queen c7. And there's a reason, guys. No, it's got to be knight bd7. I think there's six of one, half a dozen of the other. Is that what they call it? Checkmate with the knight. Ugh! I hate when my king is cramped like this because I feel like I could lose. I feel like something bad could happen. You know, a knight could drop in and mate me. Yeah, if you're feeling the vibe, like, follow, comment, and subscribe. On YouTube, we do gaming in the evenings. Now, this is actually an idea. This allows e5. Take him with the bishop. It's weird, guys. It doesn't have a real nice beard. It's really not a funny kind of guy. But you know what it does do? You'll see in a minute. It drops a pawn! It drops a pawn! Okay, wait. Drop the pawn, guys. I dropped the pawn. Just don't drop your queen. My God, guys, I dropped the pawn. I took with the bishop. I'm supposed to know better. Just take with the knight. I'm glad feeding Master David Bassett is in here. He's going to show up. He's going to feel a disturbance in the force. He's going to be like, Charlie dropped the d6 pawn. The cornerstone, not really. The cornerstone is technically this. Now, I think we might need to take, or maybe just castle. He could. I'm gonna castle. Oh my God, what am I doing here, folks? Okay, plays LD3. Now I think we do what we have to. Sadly. We're down a pawn. But we can. Oh, this. I don't think that goes there, guys. I think it doesn't go there. This allows e5, though. So the question is, do we cash? Do we cash and double his pawns on the c file? This allows e5 is what I don't like. Because he could block my bishop now and I can't double his pawns. Where's Dave Joyce? I don't like that. I was Stream Rock rules. Yeah, if you're new to the stream too, I know some of you guys are new, man. Disturbers in the Chess Force, the Chores. Some of you guys that are new, this is Stream Rock. This is me playing guitar. I recorded this specifically for my chess stream. Yeah. Yeah. He plays e5, guys. Check. Got my pawn back. And he's probably watching. Dave Joyce will probably show up too. There's a disturbance in the force. Because I recommended this line and it got played before my eyes. Now we are better because he has a weak pawn. I recommended a faulty line. I do that, Wolf. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now what can I like get out of here and threaten something? I can't really. And I can't develop and defend. I could play this move, attacking this pawn. The thing is, he just castles and defends it. But it stops him from castling this way. I think we do this. Oh, you know what I like about that move, though? I think we just take. And we outplay him in the endgame, folks. Joey P, what's up? I'm telling you guys. Hans Niemann playing Eric Rosen. And Hans says, how do you beat an international master? You drag him into the end game. And Hans dragged him into the end game, and Hans beat Eric. I was rooting for Eric because he was by far the underdog. You know what I'm saying? Right? Do we go for the pressure now? I think we do. Because it comes with a pin and it is made to win, folks. Right? He can just push though, and the rook defends it. That's what kind of sucks about it. I thought I was getting more pressure. It's okay. Anyway, Hans Niemann and Eric, yeah, it was pretty cool watching Hans play Eric. That's why I want to go back, guys. It's next week, the closing ceremony. The closing ceremony is going to be tricky. I'll have to get a room. Do I go for one night, guys? Fly all the way to St. Louis, get a hotel room, get a ticket, go over to St. Louis Chess Club. If I can get there early in the morning, that'd be cool because I could go over and watch the games, say hi to the guys. The night comes back and I looked at it. I think this is the move. And then we just get on it, guys. He plays this move just like... I think you might have had time to play king here and king here, but it's too late now. You know what I mean? So we're winning a pawn. It's no big deal. It's not winning. He's up 2 minutes on the clock. What do you do? What do you do? Okay. He forces us to win the pawn with activity. Right? Now, do we take the 7th? Or do we bring the king? I think we bring the king. I am not going to accept the draw. X, right? X. I'm not going to accept the draw. I'm going to bring my king in and wait. I'm up a pawn. I'm up a pawn. We just have to play a correct rook pawn endgame. He pushes, right? Oh no! You know what I had probably here, guys, was here. But it doesn't matter. I think we do this. On a scale of noob to Magnus, where do you think your chess level is? I'm lost somewhere between noob and Magnus. Yeah. He could take the open file, guys. That would kind of suck. He could take the open file. He could threaten activities. Right? Just slowing him down, folks. Okay. Keep him out and improve the position. Or do I do this? This is not right, so this must be correct. Here, push, there. That's oh, no. This must be okay. This must be okay. Hey, Charlie. I was doing some follow-up maintenance on my computer today and found a nice photo of you sitting with Hans. Evidently, my computer saves all images. Nice. The king comes, folks. We'll come here. Defending the pawn. He could bring the rook, guys. He could bring the rook and come for activities. That's what I'm worried about. Rook check, activities. Yeah, I love the picture of Hans, man. I got a couple of them. I told the guy, take a few. Go bam, 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 bam. I didn't want, like, my eyes to be blinking. Comes back. Okay, let us... I think that's not good. I think this is better. Guys, I just played a move that might have been better than another move. Does that make sense? A disturbance in the chess force. The choice rate. Got it. Okay, that's a move. I think this is a move, guys. Because it stops that pawn from moving forward. So I'm going to do it. Yeah, he goes there. Now we say here. Oh no, pawn takes rook. Guys, his pawn's coming this way. That's probably not a bad move. Just to improve the position. here. Plays king back, right? Do we do this now as king's cut off? I think we do. We create our own passed pawn, folks. Our very own passed pawn. His king is cut off. These pawns cover squares. His king cannot come in. But guess what my king can do? Whatever it wants. Because it's free! So, yeah, I don't know. Oh, he could play rook. He could just come bring his rook in, guys. That would suck. Would suck. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see, folks. Brings the rook. Bring the king. He could try and trade, but of what is it made? This could be a move. This could be a maneuver. I have to move, guys. Is there a shot? Is it made of what? Do I need to push here? No, I don't. I don't. I think I leave it, guys. We're coming for it, folks. We're coming for it. If rook, I think I play rook. David Hume, what's up? How you doing, David? Welcome to the stream. Guys, I don't know if I'm playing this right, but I'll tell you what I know I'm doing right. I'm making progress. You know what I'm saying? I'm making progress, guys. It is very true. It is made of Drew. Drew's not here right now. Probably after dark. Gaming streams 8 p.m. on YouTube at Charlie Sardo Gaming. I go here, I think. Takes, king takes, wins. He goes back, right? Hit the rook. Wait. Check doesn't do anything yet. Wait. Check might be the move. Check might be the move. Check might be the move. If he comes here, bang, bang, and then here. And that should win. Check, take the 7th. Check, king up. Hit the rook. There's no checks. Got the 7th. I could come up. That might overextend. I think we go for the pawn like this because it comes with tempo. Is it a blunder? Is it made of a wonder? You've come a long way, David Hume. What does it mean? I'm trying, David. I'm trying. Okay, he attacks my pawn. We'll pin. This wins, guys. It's over. Well, it's not over, but it wins. Okay, wait a minute. Wait for it. Now we out. I think here. I think I just take this pawn. Yeah, it's just too fast, guys. Especially since the direction he has. He's got to come here and here and here. Yep. Now, will he take this or will he go for this one? If I go here, takes, here, takes, he gets both pawns when I queen. If I just go here, he takes one, I queen right away. So it's way faster to queen, folks. I can even save the pawn too. Okay, he's going for the stalemate, guys. We have to be careful. We'll come to this square. And you have to look at his square he has available to him to run to, guys. You have to just look at the square, find a square he can come to that's not check. Right. Now, I think we cut him off. If he attacks, we start attacking. We gotta watch out for the stalemate scenarii, guys. There's multiple scenarii. Mur Hassan with the like, Oscar Novosteros with the like, Adam Dowsing. Guys, we got new people coming in. You love to see it, folks. Okay, this is the trick, guys. You make a move that looks like a knight move. And this will force him back or lose material. Wait. It might not. This way gives him squares. I don't want to give him anything, guys. I don't want to give him anything. Okay. Now, we bring the king because we can. And I see he has a square right here. He has 2 squares to move to, guys. Now, we come to this square. Wait for it. I have 1:41 seconds, folks. You can come here. I take with check. Okay, there. Now, if I move the king, it's stalemate. So we're going to take with check. We're going to take with check. So now I can't lose. Okay. He has a square. See his square? He's stuck right here, guys. Bring the king. And then you do the most aesthetically pleasing mate, if he allows it. Which would probably be like, good game, dude. Which would probably be like king and then like queen back mate, maybe. All right, guys. I got lucky there, man. That was a great, exciting game. Okay, Buck Wild is ahead of me on the list. Wait, nope. It looks like I pulled ahead. Oh, the next game's starting already? Guys, I get Buck Wild. You love it. 1285, guys. He's up and comer. Buck Wild's a good chess player, guys. He's no joke. That's the problem with these guys. They're no joke. I mean, do I want them to be a joke? No. Knight f6, okay. Wait. e4, c5, knight f3. d6, d4. c4, knight d4. e5. Okay. We looked. It's knight b5. I swear I even looked at this. Is it like bishop check? I think it's bishop check, guys. I'm playing it. Okay, he goes there. Now I can take, and I can play knight f5 or knight b5, queen check, knight c3. Knight of b5 is not protected anymore, though. Do I go f5? I don't know what to do in these positions. He's attacking my knight. I must move it. Knight b5, queen check. I can defend. a6, I can come back. We have squares. Knight b5. I'm going to say it's knight b5. Playing it. I'm playing it, folks. What time did the tourney start? It's earlier because the stream is earlier. No, Joseph. No, the tournament starts at the same time. Yeah, he attacks. I think we take this with check. These are tactics already. They could be, it could be, oh wait, no, we pin. He could unpin though. He could unpin. So do we win this pawn and give that pawn? Then I could come here and hit that knight and b7. Going for it, Buck. I didn't spend a whole bunch of time. I did kind of look at a couple of things, but you know, it's a 10-minute game, folks. I might even pour coffee during this game. Okay. Right. Mm-hmm. Already kind of looked at it a little bit. He takes, and then he's on my queen. So I think I will come here and hit the B pawn as well as he can't castle, guys. Yeah, I'm hitting the pawn, guys. What is he? How does he defend the pawn? How does he defend? He plays the knight back. It is made of whack. I'm going to develop while attacking. A knight. I don't know what it does. It is made of fuzz. Yeah. That's okay, guys. Who plays this maneuver, guys? Defending. Defending our current world champion ding. I probably just castle. I did it, guys. I just castled. Okay. Bring the knight because squares and stuff. Bring the knight because squares and stuff, guys. I read that in a book. It was this book right here. Bring the knight because squares and stuff. Remember that, folks. Very accurate chess instruction. What time did the tourney start? Is earlier. Yeah, Joseph, you got it. I answered that. Yeah, I taxed my queen. I thought he may do that, guys. If I come here, it is made of fear. If I play queen to this square, it is probably unfair. What can attack me? I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose, folks. Yeah, so the chess streams used to start at 4 p.m. Actually, years ago, they started whenevs. But now, they don't start whenevs. We started doing them on schedule. And I think I used to start them at 2. Then I changed them to 3. Then I changed them to 4. We did 4 for probably the longest running time we've had here was 4 o'clock for chess streams. I just changed it back to 3. Stream starts at 3. Tournament starts at 5. The same time as usual. I have a notification here from chess.com. What does it say? No alerts. No. It's my freaking game, bro. Why they gotta scare me like that? Yeah, it develops, guys. Probably not a bad square, but you know what else isn't a bad square? D5. think you just have to play it. Just play it, man. What else can you... What other move is there? Pawns need development. Guys, I almost freaking tried to trick him with this one. Buck, you got to look a little harder, brother. I'm sorry, man. I feel so bad. I almost said something, Buck, but because it was you, I didn't. I almost said like, oh, man, he has queen g6. He's looking at my king. He might be able to get the knight in somehow. I almost tried to set you up, Buck. Buck, you're a great player, dude. That was a very interesting game. Very interesting opening. I'm going to learn from that game. I'm going to learn from that game, Buck. Take both knights for one rook. Did I have an option? Oh. In this position. Rook takes knight. Is the best move by far. I didn't see it. Knight takes. Queen takes. It wants queen c6. Why does it not want to bring a rook with tempo? Queen back to b5. And the thing is, the knight and the bishop both look pretty good, but his rook looks good too. The bishop is covering the infiltration square, and the knight is helping back here. So really, my pieces are holding the glue that is the two rooks. Okay, guys, good game, Buck. I'm sorry, brother. Gosh, man. Got it. I got lucky there, guys. I got lucky twice. Let us check out our dear friend Rhodes, Pilot Cougar Chess. Love that name. I remember saying I loved it before. Esteban. You guys remember Esteban? Esteban? Bill. Isn't the guy's name Esteban? Where is Bill? What's going on here? Oh, yeah. We sometimes try and shut off to where you guys can't see the evaluation. That is only for there's no evaluation bar when I'm playing, but when you guys could be watching, you could see the evaluation, but then we talked about it because you could still listen to the stream. If you want to cheat, you could listen to the stream and hear what I say. Problem is I'm not a grandmaster. Even if I am better than you, I could tell you a bad move. If you're playing me, I do it on purpose. If you're playing someone else, I can just make a bad move. Oh, this is bad. It's looking... Oh, Esteban. Esteban has Rhodes trapped. Rhodes is very, very far down on materials, so Rhodes is probably in no position to win anyway. This game is over. Let's check out Eric Haddon, fellow Texan. Oh, man. Eric Haddon and Rhodes are brothers. They play chess against each other. And they're both taking L this round, but they're both going to come back bigger, stronger, faster. Today is not my day. Getting my Saddle Masher pack. No! Yeah, Joseph, that was a good move. I didn't see it. I didn't see it. I wonder how much worse my move was, but it doesn't matter because that was... No, it was a lot worse. 1 second. Okay, folks, we're back, we're good. Eric Haddon is down a piece. They're both under 800. Blunders happen. That's how Eric's down a piece. Taking spatula, but releasing tension. But pawn takes and this pawn falls. He's keeping it closed. And you know what? You know where a good square for the knight is? Although this pawn is under attack is a problem. But, like, I'm looking for good squares for the knight. The knight can come to this square. Probably a very good square. It is made of, I took care of it, hair. How does it get there? This is as far away as you can be. Any square you want to move to in this area, folks, this is the farthest one away. I think. Do you know any good trap lines openings? I've been trying to find good opening lines that set up decent traps. Well, I play Latvian Gambit, and I would say like the King's Gambit. Start playing and studying the King's Gambit. Pepe with a 200. Pepe, thank you, man. Thank you so much, dude. I appreciate it. YouTube is chilling on chat. Someone say something on YouTube. There's 6 people watching. You know what happens when you say that? It goes down to 5. You're like, he sees me. He sees me. Whoa, Pepe, thank you, dude. Thank you for the support.
Flexed biceps medium dark skin tone. Flexed biceps medium dark skin tone.
Probably not a bad idea by the goat doc. Maybe this rook doesn't play chess. He takes, but he takes with check. I don't know if that was Grandmaster. You could wait and let him, and then take. You could like develop a piece. And then if he takes, well, check, it still doesn't work. I'm just all about, the King's Gambit is white. E4, E5, F4. Like, it was played by Grandmasters. I'm sure some still do in, 1-minute games or something. But who played a King's Gambit? When was the last series King's Gambit played? Did Kasparov play it? Someone played a King's Gambit, man. But it's not like so old that all the... What's your rating, Joseph? Oh, he gets a fork, guys. Oh, no. What is happening here? Eric comes back. Now it's going to be 2 pieces for the rook in a rather closed-up position. This rook... Okay. He brings the queen, attacking a pawn. Takes... You got to take it. Now, he's all over this pawn, but activity could be king. This pawn you don't really want to lose, but activity could be king. Bring the rook. Rook takes, rook takes. He offers a trade of queens to try and activate the rook. It's an idea. It doesn't work, though. Oh, he had queen takes queen because the pawn couldn't take. Because it's pinned. So Goat Doc had a win right there, Eric. Yep. Eric's developing his pieces. Pretty standard move. Ideas for Eric might be to get his king up to here. Defend the pawn and get off of this. You know what I'm saying? This rook is pretty active, folks. Goat Doc is getting in a little bit. Okay, yeah, he attacks. You might just play king up and keep the threat. Who knows? It is made of clothes. A problem is this. Yeah. Black is probably still winning, but Eric, through his tactical prowess, did win an exchange back. Normally like around 11 to 1200, but I've been doing a lot of new lines that focus on Nimzo opens, and it's not very great, TBH. It's not the opening, Joseph. Just so you know. Oh, gosh. Goat Doc says I can do tactics too, folks. Yeah. He took the pawn. Yeah, this was the best move right here, I think. Stop it. You know what I'm saying? And get off of this diagonal to where you can... I mean, this rank, but if you shove the pawn, there would be like check, king here, and like queen mate. You know what I'm saying? So it'd be pretty rough anyway. But yeah. Okay, next round should be starting any minute, guys. Any minuto. It's 1,000,000% not the opening. Yeah, Joseph, it's 1,000,000% not the opening. It's your tactics need to be better. Your understanding of just what's important in the positional understanding, all those things. You just need to keep getting better at chess. But do not spend time thinking that the Nimzo is bad for your rating, because it's not. You're just playing it wrong. That's all. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, there could be maneuvers here. He checks with the bishop, folks. Woo! Brutal. Okay, guys, get to your boards. Round 4 is starting. Yeah. You're spending time. You obviously didn't spend enough time learning the Nimzo in order to play it well enough to understand it and have your rating go up. So you learn a couple moves and play those moves and your rating didn't go up, and then you think it's the opening and it's not. It's not. If you spent all that time doing tactics and went back to the last opening, there's no opening, man. There's no opening. And if you learn some tricks and traps and people fall into them, you'll win a couple games, more than maybe you're winning right now. And then you'll just sit there, you'll flatline because your tactics aren't good enough. Because you didn't spend any time just maybe learning a normal, solid opening that has, and learning the ideas behind it. The middle game ideas, the plans. Yeah, he does this. I'm going to play it like he's a grandmaster. The move is e5. Bishop e3, e5. I normally drop 1% around 5th moves. Yeah, you're still going to keep on it. Yeah. Josh Arthur says it takes time to learn new openings as well. You have to lose a few games to start winning again. Yeah, and not only that, like, okay, the knight comes back. That's probably not bad. It's not really made of sad, per se. I think we just develop. I'm going to play this move. What time control do you play? Nathan Watson says Nadorf. It is. And I just know some ideas. And they're not exactly working for me, so I'm going to try and make them work. You know what I'm saying? If it makes sense. If that makes sense, folks. Hey! Trey goes and shows me that YouTube chat is still alive and well. YouTube chat still can serve a purpose. Dude, we've got people playing the tournament right now who came from the YouTube chat. Trapezoid, get to your board! Trapezoid, get to your board! It's probably not an altogether bad move. Just castle, I guess? No, I'm doing this. I'm doing it. I'm doing it, guys. Trapezoid, get to your board. Someone said they were Trapezoid earlier. Who was it? Wolf Rhombus, get to your board. Brings the bishop back. Okay. Just castle. I like the bishop move. Well, you know, you give some, you get something. Claude says that's pretty. A lot of people have been seeing the northern lights from around here. Usually you can only see them from Alaska and the United States. Right, that is kind of cool. Castles, guys, I'm just going to castle. Just castles. Dave Joyce isn't here to say just castles. Whoa. The queen comes, folks. The queen comes. The problem is I get this move. And now I get the bishop. And I want the bishop. Oh, believe me. Woe to you, Earth and Sea. I want this bishop. Its name is Charlie. Yeah, I'm off. Good luck with the last 2 games. Josh, thank you, man. Bale Stevens is still here. He's working on jazz, guys. He's working on jazz. He has knight takes. I didn't see the discovered attack on my knight. Huh. Well, we'll see. If I lose a pawn like last game, I lose a pawn. Greg Lockhart with the like. Rob Wilson, thank you. Nigel Baker, thank you guys for our likes. It really helps the stream. Yeah, he brings the rook. It is made of a good move. We are going to take a pawn. I mean, a bishop. Right? And then we're going to save our queen. We're going to save our queen because it is lean. Oops, I was replying to someone in a different chat. Sorry about that. Claude. No, that's okay, man. That's hilarious. Yeah. When you said that's beautiful, I was like, huh, I missed the first one, but okay, now we cannot allow that. So we take, and then we take here. Do we take here? Because we kind of have to get something for this. He took with the pawn. Wow. You take with the rook, dude. He took with the pawn. He took with the pawn, guys. That was a mistake. Like Joseph, for instance, when you talk about like learning opening ideas and stuff, the whole idea of this game is fighting for the d5 square, and I can't leave his knight there. So when I take, his idea is to take, and now he has a backward pawn. My bishop is stuck defending it, and then he can maneuver his knight around to attack the pawn more, bring the other rook behind it. I spend all my pieces defending. I beat a master this way as white. I spend all my pieces defending the d5 square. Brings the queen. It is Charlie Sheen. Just bring the knight. Now, there's two places the knight can go. It can go to f6, attacking, and looking at good squares. Or it could come to this square, hitting the queen and looking there. I'm doing this because it comes with a free tempo. Just put it there, folks. Just drop the knight. Yeah, that's a move. If I attack, he might do this. Oh, I can't attack. I could come here. He can play b4. He wants to play b4 now. So I'm going to bring the queen. Yeah. Where does it? The queen can get over here like this, and it will be bliss. b4, do we play a5, a6, a4? a5, a3, a4? I think we do. This is another theme, guys. I'm playing a bunch of themes. I don't know if that's a good move, but that's what I'm playing. Is that a new chess.com thing? The pulsing pieces. It is called arcade mode. It's just kind of fun. Now the pawn will run. Oh, he could just play b4. Gosh. Okay. Now I have to unpin. No, I can play rook takes. If he pushes, I rip. So I think I play rook takes. And then I'm going to get out with, yeah. Rook takes, I think, is good. Rook takes, queen b2. I think I can take. Queen takes. I lose a rook. So maybe I need to just unpin now, brown cow. Here, I'm experiencing the fear. I'm experiencing the fear. Here, queen, push. queen. Takes, and my knight falls. This pin is pretty bad. Can I come here? If I come here, push, I said takes, and my knight falls. Okay. Do we come here, let him push? I don't know the best way to do this, guys. Careful with your time. No increment. Only 4 minutes left. There's 5 seconds. There's 5 second increment. Right? There's a 5 second increment. That's what I played, Rob. That's what I played. Took a minute to figure it out. Not to say it was guaranteed the best move, but it's what I played. He has b4, knight e4 hitting the queen, and then he has queen here, guys. Rhodes got me in a big screen. And it's an infiltration. I have to have, like, lots of stuff is going to fall, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure what to do here, guys. I got to let him move, but I have to move fast because he's putting a clock on me, guys. He's not letting me think. It's very difficult. I gotta move quick, though. b4, knight, queen, and then after queen takes, rook takes, guys. And he splits my bishop and my... He plays the queen here, offering a trade. Have to move. I think I can't go there. I could come here. Nope, that loses. I could come here. And I have to move. So I move. Threaten to win a pawn. Threaten to win a pawn, folks. Queen b6, queen a7 maneuver is on the board. You absolutely love to see it, folks. Stream Rock comes in at the opportune time. Okay, I guess I can move my knight. You could play knight back to try and trade it. That's when you know you've made it. Brings the rook back. Okay, as if he sees the attack. Trust your instinct. Too much time pressure. Threatening mate. I don't know if it was mating, man. I don't know if it was mating. He's moving really fast, though, and that's good because it's putting a lot of pressure on me. Because I'm scared. Brings the knight back. Can I come here? Um. I had to move, guys. I'm so low on time. Arcade mode's kind of fun, huh? Claude says, very smart move. We shall see. We shall see if my pieces shall start playing chess, folks. Better? Well, no. We need to win, guys. We need to win. And we have ideas. I see things. Hey, join the Live Alert channel, guys. That's a real link. That's from my bot. You join that, you get live alerts every time we go live. Who got their live alert today? From the Live Alert channel. Got a live on Facebook? It tells you automatically. I go live on YouTube. I post a link. It says I'm live. Go there. The bishop. Okay. I think we want to. Bishop. Now, the bishop looks like it might be coming in somewhere, guys. I think we might take this. And then take the 7th rank. Because it is strong. This might look at a weakness. Oh, he'll have a check. He's threatening check. This trades. Oh my God, what have I done? Do you realize what you've done? Dude, the rattlesnake freaked me out. The rattlesnake freaked me out, guys. Wow. Yeah, he comes in, and he's going to get in here. I think we hit the knight. Hit the knight, because it's free! Oh my God, I dropped the pawn with check. Wow. And he gets the rook. It's game over, guys. Ha! Good job! Dude, Pilot Cougar Chess, good game, dude. No, he beat me, guys. He beat me. I'm losing the rook. I'm losing the rook. And there's no compensation for it. He played a good game. I'm going to resign. Yeah. Yeah. Thomas Bostrom, how you doing, dude? Welcome back. Yeah, man. I needed to, I guess, trading was bad. Yeah, made him better. I had knight a2, queen a3, rook c2. That is so hard because this rook just seems like it can't live there forever. You know what I mean? Knight f3, queen c5, and I'm slightly better here, it says. But he does have 2-1 over here. But this is weak. But my bishop can attack it. There's so many but, right? All right, guys, let's see if anyone is... No one is 4 out of 4, so I can still win the tournament. If I win my last round game, Esteban is playing Ratul. I'm going to grab one more water, folks, a cold one. 1 second. We're gonna warm up the coffee real quick. I'll take you guys with me. We should have a board, right? There's no board. It's a crime. There's no board on the. There's no board on it. Oh no, there it is. Okay, guys, we're gonna warm up. What's happening over here, folks? What do we have? 22 seconds for Ratul. It says it's a draw, but Esteban has used only half his time. And because of this, he kind of deserves to win. I think... Yeah, he's going to do this because it gives him a passer, but he loses 2 pawns. And Ratul... See... Now, and this king is rather passive. This is tricky, folks. This is really tricky. Back to the coffee can. If you guys see me putting 2 scoops of sugar, you guys would laugh if you saw the spoon. All my freaking spoons and everything is dirty, guys. Like, my dishes are clean. They're pretty clean. I have a few dishes to wash, but all my utensils are in the sink. I gotta wash them all. So I took a measuring spoon, the really small one. What's the tiny one called? A micro spoon? I'm gonna show it to you. It's called a half a tisp. Half a tisp. Half of a tisp. It's tiny, guys. It's tiny. It's not a lot of sugar. 1 is not enough. I bet it's not a lump. It might be a lump. I bet a lump of sugar is a half a teaspoon. Joseph Song says, I feel better you had pawn structures, even if it was 2-1. Arcade mode is even cooler when they start blitzing moves out. Half a teaspoon, yeah. Yeah. That pawn is rocking, folks. The problem is... this one's going to queen with check. But this rook doesn't have a counter check. He comes back. Rooks belong behind past pawn. Oh, the king comes. But this rook can stop it. And actually win it. No, he can check and get behind it and then lose. He could check, make the king get in front of the pawn. It's difficult. Oh, that might have just lost the game to this move here. Well, okay, here first. Because there's no checks. But bringing the king might have been the move, guys. These guys are playing Grandmaster endgames. I don't know how to do this. Quick couple between games. Got to, man. Last round's coming up. I need the freaking caffeine. I'm all hopped on with caffeine, guys. It's not half calf. Yeah, Ratul is 100 points higher than Esteban, and he played the end game a little bit better. It was probably draw. Yeah, it's just too much. Yep, and now he's going to try and win this pawn and advance his... This king is very far out of play, folks. If this pawn was gone, it'd probably be a draw. Because he could come here and make the rook abandon. He could make the rook abandon. No, he should have come here so the rook can't attack his pawn. Because the rook can attack his pawn now. It was a huge blunder. He should have come here. Here. Okay, he wants to trade. Now you push. Oh, no, you take the rook. Wait. No. What do you do there? Because if you take the rook, he wins. But if you push, you're still on a rook. The rook has to get saved. It goes like this. What do? Where does the rook go? Go here? Ah, this pawn runs. Yeah, it's too much. Wow, it goes back and forth, folks. It goes back and forth, folks. Okay, Ratul is playing black. Can Ratul... Whoa, come on. Can Ratul checkmate? Does he... What? Why wouldn't it... I want to stay in the game, guys. I'm going to close that. And I'm going to bring it back up. And I'm not going to touch it this time. Now it should follow. Did you guys know the technique here, guys? The key position is this. King here. The key position is... Okay, now you check. And it forces him back. He's going to come toward the rook, which is most accurate. It still loses. Okay, now you play king here. Not king here. Yeah. And, yep. And then you play king here. Yep. He sees it, guys. He sees it. King here. And you don't pre-move because he might come back. Now you check. He was hoping for the pre-move. Didn't work. Great. Now he goes there. Now you come here. Because then he has to run. And then you do it again. When he gets close to your rook, you put it all the way over here. As far as possible. As far as humanly possible. Antoine! Hey, how you doing, man? Welcome, Antoine. Good to see you, my friend. We're having an absolutely amazing chess stream today, folks. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar. I play chess. We play games after dark. Usually Elden Ring. Chess streams are Monday through Thursday at 3 p.m. Monday through Thursday at 3 p.m. on Facebook every time. I've been doing them on YouTube too. Now, you just go again, and now he must come back, and then the checkmate is inevitable. Good game. Get to your boards, folks. Okay, this is the last round, man. Pilot Cougar Chess put himself in position to win the tournament, guys, by beating me. It was important. I get Ratul. Ratul's a very strong player, folks. He has many layers. He's a strong player. Best stream on the interweb, says Bill Stevens. Thank you, man. It's only because of the community. I got nothing without the community, folks. Right. Let's play here. Zawistowski, what's up? Now, can we play this move? No. Can we play this move? No. Why are you trying to reinvent your opening, Charlie? Simply castle. Like a grandmaster. Sometimes you got to play a grandmaster move. Rook and king checkmate, Dave Joyce. And Lone King, you done a written explanation for anybody who would prefer writing and would like to practice it in the exclusive Chiller subscribers only group. Dave Joyce, thank you, man. Can we play this? I got a ding dong. What is it? Okay, this is awesome. This is awesome. I'm trying to put together a dinner birthday party. I hate to do this. Do I do... This right here would throw him off. It really would. Playing c3. Because it's grandmaster move. It's grandmaster. You guys gotta know. Wait, please. Okay, great. Now we come here. And don't let him in. Great. Now we play... Pushing, I think, is pre-me. I think it's pre-me, folks. It's not primo, it's pre-me. There are ideas in the opening, folks. I don't know them all. We're just doing the best we can over here. But I'm telling you, this is what Hans Niemann plays. For real. Maybe not this exact move order. Yeah, and you know, I think I'm going to play this move. You don't want to take if you don't have to. You don't want to take, guys, if you don't have to. Because bishop takes, pawn takes. It covers some key squares. It opens up the F file. I mean, yeah, it weakens this king a little bit. D, that square is not going to be the square I'm going to be. It's going to be so easy to attack. I know, Dave Joyce. We talked about it the other day. Ooh, they're all answering, folks. The dinner's it's going to be dinner tomorrow. It's going to be late. Okay, will be later because girls get off around 6:15. I'll let you know ASAP. Cool. Yeah. Who has a favorite visual artist? Mine is Salvador Dali. Bill Stevens, that is awesome. Visual art. Visual art. Now, this is an idea, guys. You push. I guarantee knight back is okay. Takes is okay. I'm going to push, though. I'm going to push because, and you know, Dave Joyce just said B4, but I already remember when I said there are ideas in the opening. I don't know them all. We just talked about this the other day. Might not be the best move in this exact position, but it's an idea to expand. It's an idea to expand. And then now I can kick the knight, but he'll go there. So we're going to do this first. You have tried before a few Italian games, and it backfired on me. Yeah, probably will backfire upon me as well. I can push and shove him, put baby in a corner. And then push again, hitting the knight. Bishop takes, pawn takes. Is that line any good? Oh, bishop takes... Wait. Push. I don't know if I'm supposed to push. I bet I'm supposed to develop my pieces, guys. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to develop my pieces like a good person. Nobody puts baby in the corner. Darryl Zawistowski. Thank you for the like. Marty Hall. Dave Joyce with 100. Dave, I didn't even see you creep in, brother. 23 minutes ago. I just noticed you in chat. I was calling for you earlier. Why? Oh, because I think I might have got somebody. I'm like, oh, they could just play F4 here. And they're like, they waited, a little bit, and then they played it, and they lost. There was a queen fork against Buck Wild that I almost tried to talk him into, but I'm like, no, I'm not doing that to Buck. Buck's not stream sniping. Don't even do it. So I didn't do it. And then he played queen g6, and he walked into the queen fork anyway. He probably heard it from my brain and my mind. Yeah, Clausius, I have admired him for a long time. Oh, Salvador Dali, cool. He did an interesting portrait of Jesus without a beard, as is usually how other painters portray his likeness. Salvador Dali, dude, visual artist. I mean, it's funny because to me, when you say artist, I understand there are, acting is arts. Okay? Music is visual. Arts, visual. Foley, visual. Audio, auditory, arts. But when you just say, to me, if you just say art means this move, guys. This move. How does he find it, guys? How does he find the Grandmaster move? I just played it, guys. Do you puff dope? Diego Licado Jr. I personally do not. First off, it is illegal in my state. Although, I'm not just saying that to throw their scent off. I personally just don't have a big love for the way it makes me feel. So I don't. I ride pretty clean, man, which is crazy. It's crazy. But I do. See, there is a discovered attack. And what I love about this too is it lets my queen get activated. You guys feeling? He could just play pawn takes though, and I'm a little bit worried about that move. Little bit worried about it, folks. But I might win a pawn here. Dave Joyce says, I've been, this evening, missed the start of the stream, but shenanigans were obviously being thought about. Oh, yeah, it was hilarious, Dave Joyce. Yeah, Diego, I will have an adult beverage on occasion. We're trying to do this within reason. Nothing in excess. People that smoke like that, I got no problem with it. I don't look down on people. I don't think it's bad. Yeah, now this comes with a threat, guys. But that might be a good move, guys. But I can hit the queen this way. And where does it go? It doesn't know. Where the queen goes, it really doesn't know. It goes back, Jack. It goes back to make a new plan, Stan. There's no mate. Knight f3 looks like the move. He could come back here and begin the tears. Yeah, I think it's knight f3. Just get every piece. The knight's still unprotected. I just got to be sure there's no square. I think it defends the knight too. I kind of like it. Now we're gonna rip this. We're gonna mess the pawns up. We're gonna get a little more space. We're probably gonna shove. We're gonna open up. Things are gonna happen. We'll maybe bring our other rook. Yeah. Keep an eye on f2. Well, for sure. Yeah, f2. Check. King takes. Check. King back. No checks. Bishop takes. Yeah, there could be something there. Bishop takes. What about this move? Oh, wait, no, I play it here. I play it here, then the queen has to move. Then I'll take it. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't work. Well, okay, wait. I take it back. It's possible. There could be maneuvers here. There could be maneuvers here. Word of the day, shenanigans. Bill Steven says, I'm right there with you, bro. I have so much to do and have to stay super aware to maximize efficiency. I don't judge anyone, but for me, I just stay alert so I can get everything done. Yeah, Bill, and you know what? Some people do very well. Some people do very well with certain things. Some people, it makes them tired, distracted, whatever it is. You know what I'm saying? There are just ideas, man. There are ideas, guys. Like, yeah, right. Exactly, Bill. Nigel Baker says, Dolly possessed a playfulness with his surrealist themes, dripping clocks, etc. And in Lisbon, there's a piece where Dolly uses a lobster form as a telephone. Crazy. Awesome. And it's so funny. Nigel Baker's got hidden, and there's nothing wrong with it. So I unhid you, my brother. We try and let people speak their minds here, especially when we're talking about Ark. Wolf's taking off, brother. Cool. We'll check you out later, brother. Thanks for dropping in. Mm-hmm. God, plays queen back. I think he had better, guys. I think he had better. Not gonna lie. Not gonna cry. I think he had better. I feel like I want to go take. You know what I'm saying? I think we start with this. Because I think there's no threat that we can't handle. Now, if I push, he can't push by, but he can play. I think this is okay to do too. Also, this might be best. Blocking. Drops my bishop. Okay. I think I'm going to come back. Oh, he's threatening a pawn. I mean, do I defend the pawn? I mean, every pawn is important. No, I don't, because I'm attacking a knight. Am I right? Am I right? This is such an idea. Dude, I don't like this, man. I had to move, guys. Ooh, I dropped the square. Yeah, I should have blocked it off, man. Nathan, what's happening? How you doing, dude? Bill Stevens says, that's Charlie playing. He improvised all of it. Yeah. Yeah, thank you, Bill. Yeah, man. Who asked that? Oh, Diego. Yeah. Yeah, like Bill said, this is my music. I recorded it specifically for the chess stream. We keep talking about getting some new updated music. I booked studio time and went one time. But, you know what happened? Yeah, I think I made it, guys. I made it. King H1, Knight G3 is checkmate. Yeah, is it uploaded to YouTube? Want to check it out? It's not. Yeah, knights on the side do not abide. Well, they do here in this position because I have one move here, guys. Watch. And then he has checkmate. Ratul's tough, guys. I'm telling you, he beats me, guys. He beats me. Good game, dude. Good game. Ratul just knocked me. Boy, I can't believe I got third place. I cannot believe I got third place. Wow. I lost 2 out of 5 and still got third place on tiebreak. Some of you guys had a 3 out of 5, but I got third on tiebreaks because I played all these freaking beasts who had all these points, man. Okay, so first place, Buck Wild. Second place, Ratul. Third place, me. Okay? Now, we will look at the list, and I will screenshot this as well. Dude, Ratul, I had a moment of weakness. Yeah. You had 2 great wins. Okay. Yeah, and I let him play the checkmate too because I like him, guys. I like Ratul. Okay, now I got to get a new one, and I got to get everything so we can figure out who won the different sections, but I'll tell you, it looks to me like the under 1100 section would be, first place would be Odysseus. Second place would be Payroll. And it's under 700, right? The under 700. So congratulations, Odysseus and Payroll, on the under 1100 prize. That would be first and second. Odysseus first and then Payroll. And the under 700 prize, folks, goes to Eric Haddon with 2 of 5, first place, and Rhodes with 2 of 5, second place. Eric, you even beat Rhodes in the tournament. You got to lighten up on him. Cramming the stalemates down his throat is one thing. You had 3 horrible losses. Yeah, tie breaks, baby. Yeah, right. Bill Stevens says, oh, what do you say? You were 1 move away from having a winning position there. You abandoned that square and let him smash you. Yeah. It was a panic defensive maneuver. I wanted to bring my queen up and start trading stuff off because I didn't want him to get me. And guess what happened? I didn't see the square I left behind, folks. Dude, Pepe with the 100 stars. Pepe, thank you, man. Thank you. I want to welcome everyone who watched on the YouTube channel. Guys, thank you for being here on Facebook. Let me see if there's anyone we know and love that we can possibly raid. Looking. No, I need to find a chess streamer, guys. There are some chess people here. Chess Hub, chesscom Live, Chesscology. So there are some chess streamers, just none. Guys, gotta admit, we are kind of the chess place on Facebook, guys. I freaking love that about you guys. So I am going to end it now. I'm gonna shut the bot off, and we are going to, well, we're not gonna raid. Dave Joyce says, congratulations to Buckwadra, Tool, and Charlie, first, second, and third. Congratulations to Odysseus Payroll in first and second in the under 1100. It's actually, under 1100. Congratulations to Eric Rhodes. Yeah, and first and second in under 700. That's exactly right. And I'm also going to copy that summary because I already called them out once, but I won't have to read them again. And those were exactly what I said too, so we got the right ones, folks. Good. I will post those on the page. A lot of times I don't post that till next week, but they get posted. If you score, Branson Collins says, I am ahead of Odysseus based on tie breaks. Branson Collins. What's your name, Branson? Are you Goat Doc? Yeah, but you're under. Wait. Oh. Yeah, no, I think he's right, huh? That's Goat Doc, right? It goes. Yeah, Goat Doc did beat him. So it goes because Goat Doc's 750. It's like if you don't. Well, 750 is under. Yeah, there's because it's under 700. How did I miss that, Goat Doc? Yeah, no. You're right. Right, Dave Joyce? Goat Doc at 755 is under 1100, and he got 3 out of 5. How'd I miss that? I said it was Odysseus and Payroll, but it's not Odysseus and Payroll. It's Goat Doc and Odysseus. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I got to re-clip this and be sure I get it right. Goat Doc Odysseus. Yeah, sorry, Payroll. Goat Doc, his rating was so low, I kind of, in my brain, I was thinking about him competing for the other section is what it was, Goat Doc. But then you would have been ahead anyway. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Dude, congratulations, Goat Doc, on first place in the under 1100. Odysseus, second place, under 1100. Sorry, payroll, you were there for a minute. We made a mistake. Trophy has been confiscated. Goat Doc first. Yeah. Very good, Goat Doc. Love you, Branson. All right, guys. I'll be back later. I don't usually make 8 o'clock for the gaming streams on Wednesday because tournament ends now. I have to go pick up my laundry and get food. I'll be back here later for a gaming stream I'll be back on YouTube probably like 8:30. If I get moving, I got to rock and roll, guys. Love you guys. Goodbye. I think I can end them all right here.